Not gonna lie. I don't know if I can play copyright music anymore. I don't know. The theme song. Okay, so the thing about copyright free music is I wouldn't care, to be honest. But the issue with that now is I'm making just thumbnails every day, right? So to see a stream like, cause I don't care about the stream, you know. If you miss the stream, you miss the stream. But like to see my hard work go into the thumbnail, and then for that just to be gone, I don't know, man. Also, like sometimes I need more clips to edit and shit, and I can't edit my clips because there's copyright music and the stream is blocked, and I can't download my clips. That's another thing as well. I mean, honestly, I don't care. Like, for the monetization, I don't care. Like, it doesn't really do anything. It doesn't do no harm. But just in terms of productivity, when it comes to editing, that's where the issue is. I mean, yeah. Fortunately. I wish we were on Twitch though. Twitch doesn't block the stream. YouTube does. But anywho, chat. Hold on. Let me just play some music because I was literally let me log into his account. Hold on. We're starting to stream off, chat. Don't worry. Let me just log in real quick. Sounds so short. I thought it was like longer. I thought it was longer. Okay, where's my music at? Where's my copyright free music at? YouTube safe. I'm gonna fall asleep listening to this stuff, chat. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, we live. Oh wait. There you go. Hold on. What is this? Yeah, new layout. New layout. I made it. I was tired of the old layout. I'm like, yo, I'm tired of this layout. Everyone's copying the layout. I'm gonna change it up. So we changed it up a little bit, you know. I gotta make the intro and the outro though, but as for this stuff, pretty cool, pretty cool. Let me just see, where's my stream? Control room. Click on this. All right, cool, we lit. Yo, is the music too loud, chat? Let me know. If the music's too loud, let me know because I don't know how loud this is, to be honest. Is that good? It's perfect? It's good? Alright. Can be lower. Alright. Alright, so welcome back, chat, to another day. Today is... What day is it today? January 5th. This year has gone by quick. It's been 5 days already. Holy smokes. But yeah, today is January 5th, 2023. It is gonna be a news event day. 8:15 a.m. Eastern. You have ADP, non-farm, employment change. So that should be interesting. And then unemployment claims at 8:30. The good thing about news today is at 8:15, so it's kind of within the comics candle. And then we saw the 8:30 candle that we could trade, so pretty cool. As for tomorrow, you have NFP, and then I think that's it for the week. Yeah, tomorrow's the last day. Tomorrow we have NFP and ISM, ISM services PMI. So things are gonna get a lot interesting tomorrow. But yeah, let's see what we got going on today. Let's do this analysis real quick, chat, and then we'll get into trading or whatever it is we're doing today. Waiting. Yo, is this copyright free music? I hope this is copyright free music. They better not clickbait me. Alright. Alright. The voice is cracking? No, shouldn't be cracking. Hello? Hello? No, it's not cracking. It shouldn't be cracking. Let me just hear it. You guys like the new layout? It's clean? I think it's pretty clean. I spent all day making it. It looks harder than it is. It looks a lot harder than it is. Considering I'm a bot with Photoshop. It's not lagging. It's not cracking. You might need to get a new microphone, bro. Anyways, chat. Yeah, let's get into our charts real quick. See what we got going on today. I think today is let me see if I have a Zoom call. Let me see if I have this set up. All that is set up. Okay, wait, one test. Does it show at the bottom right? Oh my god, I forgot about this. It blocks out my MT5. Oh, brother. What if I do this? You know your boy got the big brain, though. I got the big brain. Or else I would have had to probably just go back and remake it. And I was thinking, I'm tired, bro. I'm not doing that. But you guys don't see the bottom, right? So let me just fix the. I don't know how I'll fix that actually. Damn, you guys don't see the bottom? I'm trying to think. Because. Okay. Whoa. Damn, it doesn't see the bottom. Bottom to 5 point? It is, because people want to know. Okay. Fuck. I might have to, I think I'm gonna have to redo this today. Fuck. Because, like, you guys gotta see the bottom. It's, like, you guys don't see the bottom for, like, maybe... I don't know. Like days where I don't, you know, like you can't see full history bottom though. Whatever, it's fine. We'll figure it out. We'll fix it. Yeah, we'll fix it. Anyways, let's get into the analysis, chat. So, today you have an interesting day here. You got gold here that's bullish on a weekly. It looks like it is making its way up towards the top of the range at 1872.197. Pretty interesting range we are in, or we are heading into. Again, we were bullish for the weekly. The daily, however, today is well, the day today is at resistance here. We're just right at resistance. One thing I could say about daily is that it is still a bullish closure. We still close bullish. However, as in terms of ranges and going up, there's no like there's direction, but there's no confirmation that we're gonna break out to the upside. Because like if you were to close above, then obviously what you can say is I mean, there's a high chance that price will likely just do something like this, right? It'll probably just come up and fill the top of the range. But since you don't have that, you close below. That indicates that we are below resistance, and if we're below resistance and we are coming down here, looks like we may come down towards these levels here to the left hand side, 1835, because that's your next support level, right? This level right here, that's your next support level. So that's where you're looking at next. But again, at any given point, as long as price respects the previous day low, this thing can still flip bullish and drive up to fill the wick and tap 1872, right? Because it didn't close above, yes, but still a bullish closure. So at any given point, we can still drive. We're really gonna have to dissect the smaller time frame to see what direction we're going to. So looking at the smaller time from here, what you're gonna have here is you're gonna have the 4 account just closed there. We know that it closed an hour and a half ago. It looks like it closed bearish below this minor support to the left here, and it looks like at this point price may make its way down towards the 1838 mark, 0.742. Now you have that range going down, which is 100 pips remaining in this area. Or no, sorry, not 100 pips. You have a remaining 80 pip range going down. So the 4 hour is pretty bearish. The 1 hour is pretty bearish. The 1 hour, what I could say is that there was a resistance here. Price respected that resistance, or closed below, came down, came back up, respected the resistance. So we're in this range here from here to here. I would say there's a high chance that the 4 count is likely to drop down here, because the 4 count is just filling the wick right now. As the 4 count is filling the wick, you have the 1 hour time frame that's giving you that onion play. So you have 9 minutes left for the onion. If you close bearish here, there's a high chance the next 1 hour count will likely drive down and do something like this and fill that range there. So things should get interesting. It looks like a pretty decent day today, to be honest. Looks much better than yesterday, even though yesterday was pretty decent. But yeah, you have all that range going down. It would be lovely we can close below like this support on the hourly candle, this support, 1845, 500, and then below there you have clean traffic coming down towards like 1839, right? So sells for me today. I mean, I'll say I'll wait for a closure below here, which is I believe that 1844 mark. You close below here, and then you can drive down towards next support, which is down here at the 1839 mark. So yeah, you have all that range going down. I think that range going down is around 40 pips. Yeah, so I'll wait for a closure below 1844, 371, and then take sells below that range there. All right, cool. Pretty straightforward day, chat. A lot. Take that back. Below 1843, 886, below there, because that's where the 5 support is. So you close below there, you have all this range going down. We'll definitely take sells coming down. Sells in this range isn't too bad right now as we speak, but you probably want to wait for the 1 hour close here. The 1 hour close is in about 9 minutes here, so that is a very key and important, something you would want to wait for. All right. Camera looks blurry. There we go. And as for buys, if I'm looking for buys today, I mean, because the day of buys is still bullish, right, chat? So if I mean, this is where the day of flip is, 1854.714. I believe that's basically where the forward break of the highs is. So that's going to be 1855.918. This is marked up as well to keep an eye on that. I'll say buys for me would be, I mean, maybe above 1851 wouldn't be too bad. I mean, you break above there, you have clean traffic to drive up, right? All the way up to fill this range here. And as you drive up to fill that range there, it will likely come back up to retest the daily highs. So not the day of highs, the day of flip, right? That's where the daily flip is. So you have clean traffic if you break above here into the daily flip. So buys above here wouldn't be too bad. Above 18.51, I'll say. That'll be your buys above. Sorry, sells below here, not buys. There we go. And then you have a minor resistance that we're in right now from here. Yeah, so if I'm touching on charts today, chat, what I'll do is I'll say whatever you do in here, or whatever happens in here, none of my business. Here, none of my business as of right now. That could change later on, but for sure between 18.51 to 18.48 or 18.47, none of my business. Anything above here valid for buys, and then anything below here is valid for sells, right? So for the time being, you want to stay off these two ranges, and you want to take a piece of this or a piece of this down here, but you want to avoid this range because there's no direction in this range. Price is going to hover in this range for a majority of the NY session. Until you break out this range, you'll get direction, right? So could be soon, not, it could be a couple hours, who knows, but we gotta wait for a closure. Cool. And then GJ chat, do you guys gotta look at GJ chat? Like, I haven't looked at GJ in like, I haven't traded GJ in ages. So like, is there any point of me even marking it up? Like, I think yesterday I marked it up too, and I didn't even like look at it. I mean, I just do a rapid markup, because people are trading GJ, I guess. So let's see. So the weekly here, we mentioned how the weekly on yesterday. We mentioned the weekly at any given point could respect the support and still drive up, and that's what price is doing as of right now. So you have an hour left. Oh wait, you know what I can do, chat? Until I fix my thing. There we go. Just do that now. Yeah, just do that now for now. Yeah. So any given point, what price? Like, since we were respecting support here at 158 through 14, it could flip bullish, which is what price did. And as it's doing that, it is respecting the support here now. So that's something key to look at, because one, I think at the beginning of the week we had an old top wick, and we finally just got a top wick as we were respecting that support. I would say you have a day left, so we don't really know what's gonna happen. I'll say you'll have a much better direction next week, because today's is the last day, second last daily candle before the weekly closes. So once you actually close for the weekly, you have a much better idea of where price will drive, because you'll officially see where the weekly candle close, right? So this weekly candle could close at support here, respecting this level, or it can close bearish below. We don't know yet, but whatever price does next week, however price opens up on Monday, we'll have a much better direction, and we can say, okay, price is driving down because close below, or price is respecting support, therefore you may come up to create resistance, right? So going off of what I see, there's this minor support here, so there's a high chance that what price could do is come up to tap these levels here at the 162. But let's drop down to daily to see what price is kind of doing on the daily. So the daily time from here, there is support at 159.266. Looking left, you have clean traffic driving up today until 161.715. It makes perfect sense too, because the weekly time frame is flipping bullish, respecting that support. So if the weekly is respecting that support and the daily time frame is closing bullish, there's a high chance that the daily time frame today will likely pop up to fill the top of the range, tapping 162.814, which is basically where I mentioned earlier, this resistance at 161.250 on the weekly, right? So you see how things kind of align here perfectly. It's just a matter of, are we gonna flip today after this bottom wick, right? So if I'm looking for positions today, I'll say anything above here is clean for buys. You close above here, you should be good to drive up towards the next range, and that takes you up towards the top of the range here at the 160 631. All right, that range going up there, chat, is around 60 pips. Yeah, roughly 60 pips is not too bad. I'll wait for a closure above there, and then buys will be clean for clean traffic until 160 631. And then you have a support here at the 158.939 mark. So this is a range you're in, basically. You don't want to touch this range. It's not the cleanest range. You won't get much direction in this range. once price breaks out of either direction, you will have a much better direction for price. Cool. But probably not touching GJ today, chat, if I'm being honest with you. If I'm being honest with you, I'm probably not touching that. We're looking at gold. Gold's not bad today at all. Could get early positions here, could not. Who knows? We had a London position. I was looking at things. I was up working on some stuff, right? And I was looking at gold here during London, and I was looking at all this. I think I was looking at gold, like not constantly looking, but I was, you know, on the charts within this time frame here. I was like, okay, well, where the sells again? Below here, right? Yeah, all I had was just a line below at 1851. I'm like, can you break below there? You'll be clean to drive down, and I think that's where we got in. Once the 5 closed below that range there, yeah. Quick grab. That's about it. Nothing special. Nothing crazy. And I had a break-even trade during Asian. Yeah, it's been a good year though. Been a good start. So you might get more positions there. What time was that? It was like around you know what's good about this, man? You can go on my paid signals journal, and I think we have timestamps now. So it says 3 a.m. It was right at 3 a.m. Yeah, I think by 3:10 it just dropped an extra 40 or something. When you're showing your 5-minute setup, I mean, if you've been on the streams here since this week, you would have seen our 5-minute setups taken live multiple times. You know what I'm saying? Man, this music is... I need to find a playlist or something. Rock on. What do you guys want to listen to? You have a bunch of genres. Hype bass. What is this? All right, you have a 1 hour closure here, chat. You have a 1 hour closure here. It looks like price closed below the range on the hourly candle. Pretty interesting. What you can say now is, like, if you look at price here, this is the first time we're breaking back into the range, right? The wick fill is at like the 1853 or 43 area. The 1 hour range closed below the most recent support. It didn't close below here, but below here, if I can draw my tool, it didn't close below there. It closed below here. What you can say is that since you're in this range here, from here or here to, you can probably say something like this. Like you're kind of in this range here. I'm not sure if you guys see it, right? Because look, let me just get a line and draw it. Or back in this range, you see overall. Because look, this is the range that was being respected in the past, looking left, and now you're breaking back into it, right? So there's a high chance now that what can happen is price may make its way down to fill, I'll say the 4 hour wick fill, which is going to be around the 1843 800 mark, which is around here. I can get my thing up, right? You have clean traffic till then. So if we can get some positions, that wouldn't be too bad. It's just a matter of where the 5 closed. If I didn't think I saw where it closed. Because like the 5 has clean traffic as well. I'll wait for this 5 to close in 2 minutes here. If you close the way we are, we can probably have sells 705 coming down to fill the range here. You have a 20 pip range going down. If not, worst case, we get more sells below here, below 1843 725, right? Not too bad though. How about our stops there? Stops were 20 pips. Yeah, probably 20 pips. That's bad. Yo, music is not it, man. Alright, let's put some reggae. Yo. It's not bad, it's whatever. And why's the record all messed up? Hold on. Let me fix this. Everything's messed up to the chat, my fault. That's fine. Oh, that record's not 100%. What the hell? I wish. It's not 100% win rate. That is, I think, 76, right? Imagine. I think that's 76 on stream. 76, yeah. Yo, Happy New Year, Kuna. What's going on? SenPX, what's going on? Every day you pray Marco shows up? Nah, he ain't showing up. Why didn't you get in 5 minutes earlier during London session? I think I was waiting for a closure below here. I think what it was is that I was waiting for a closure. If I can, I was waiting for a closure below. I think it was this support here. Yeah, and then once this kind of broke the highs and reflipped bearish, that was the entry. I kind of had no top wick. That kind of came out, created a top wick, and then just flipped bearish. And that was the entry we had. Yeah. Right? Yeah. I think that was it. Cause this kind of closed, but it closed right at support. So I was like, I'm gonna just wait for the next candle. Next candle drove down. I'm like, okay, if it pulls back, get a wick fill, that'd be great. And then we pulled back, we got a wick fill, and then we came up, broke the highs, and then reflipped, and then the reflip was my entry. Push down. Yeah, this one didn't close below. It closed right at it for me. I had a support right here at the 1850.155. So I'm not gonna lie, looks like we're gonna have to wait for a closure below 4.3 here. 8.6 instead. Market is dead, bro. I don't know about you, but these markets look kind of normal. Dead? I might be looking at a wrong pair or a different pair. Markets have not been dead. Maybe it might not be moving hundreds and hundreds of pips, but it's definitely not dead. Do you want to see dead? Look at 2019 quarter 4. That is what dead is. I don't think the markets have been that dead since 2019 quarter 4 December. Because then after that you had COVID, right? And then during the whole COVID thing, you know, you had all that volatility, and I don't think he's slowed down since. That was terrible though. It was just weeks and weeks and weeks of consolidation and range. All right, markets have been very nice. I mean, you had a 100 drop during London. I don't know what that is, but that's definitely not dead. That's a 100 drop during London itself. Quarter 4 has been great. January has been great. I don't think we had a loss in January yet. Pretty cool. You seen touch on Ted? Yeah, I'll probably grab dinner. He said once he comes back to Toronto again. I don't know, that was the last time I spoke to him. That was like 2 weeks ago. Rationalized training. Yeah, I heard a new Quavo song. The one about Takeoff. Yeah. Is his cheeks? I know, bro. What do you want me to do about it? Play copyright music and then you guys complain about the stream not being back up? Like, is this not, you know what I mean, chat? Is this not the same? What is this? This sounds like fucking I'm playing a video game here. It's like
Unleash the beast.
you're playing like Soul Calibur or something.
Choose your character. Like, what the fuck is this? Fight. Round 1. Fight. Like,
That's what it sounds like. Finish him.
finish him.
And in positions right now, no Surfski. We are waiting for closure. Yeah, you guys ever play Soul Calibur? Or what's the other game called? Soul Calibur and Tekken? On a, like, remember back then, like those OG games? You guys ever played that? More combat? Fair enough. Oh yeah, Dead or Alive? Yeah, that game is fire. Soul Calibur is fire. I like Soul Calibur. It was underrated. Change it? Nah, bro. This is it. This is what we're gonna, this is how you focus in the markets. Like this is the music you listen to when you want to lock it in. Music growing on you? Hey, you see? Pokemon music. Doesn't hear classic rock? You got classic rock too. Let's see. This should be a pretty interesting candle here. Look left of chat. I mean, last time you closed below here, you were able to drive down here. This kind of drove down as well, came tap these levels here. So that'll be your break-even point. Thing is, like, how big is this range though? Is the question. If you close below here, 17 pip range going down, that's not too bad. And then you anticipate the rest of the 1 hour count to fill that wick, right? Or the 4 hour count to fill that wick. Same range going down. But yeah, close first. So let's see. Let's see you in a minute and a half. Dubstep. Oh man, dubstep. You mean isn't dubstep the same thing as EDM? What's the difference? That is EDM. You guys want to listen to EDM? Just get the blood flowing. Same thing on Discord. Free rap trap. SoundCloud. Thing is, like, I don't know how. Cause I've used those before, and sometimes they're not like all copyright free. $100,000 people watching, but only 158 likes. How is that? I don't know, man. Ask the chat. Chat, if you guys enjoying the streams today, make sure to leave a like on the streams. Yeah, I don't know. Chat, leave a like on the stream, chat. I didn't know we had 1100 today. Welcome to the stream, chat. Welcome. Sorry about the start today. A little rough, but it'll be fixed tomorrow. Yeah. Should be good by tomorrow. I'm surprised we have no questions about FX today, huh? How many years trading? I've been trading for 4 years and 1 month. Almost 40k. I know, 40k subs. How much do you have right now? 38 or something like that? Don, just wondering if you don't do the 4 and the daily flips in gold anymore. Just wondering if you don't do 4 and daily flips in gold. What do you mean? We still take into consideration. We broke down gold with that today, actually. Right? We talked about the day flipping bullish on gold and how we break above there on a smaller time frame. We still account for those things. You just gotta tune in. You just gotta tune in. Were you also a scalper? No. When I think my first couple of months, I was more so of a swing trader. Zoom? Did I not send the link? Oh shit. I thought I sent the link. Oops. Sorry. Oh shoot, not the signals channel. Market controller. And then mod channel. There we go. My fault. When did you become profitable? Oh my god. I went full time October 2019. You have not read my messages. Can you check my message? I reply to every DM on Instagram. If I came across your message, I don't know. I get a lot of DMs. Like I don't know what your username is. I get a lot of DMs, man. Congrats on 100k day. Appreciate it. Thank you. How much money you got? A lot. How much money you got? Man, I want to play music. Fuck. I'm from Nigeria and I always follow you. Hey, a lot of people from Nigeria from my chat. Don, mate, read my message. Which one and where? Oh fuck, chat's going quick today, chat. Yeah, I ain't playing bangers no more right now. Chat, we might. I'm not gonna lie. I think we might break our stream records today. Our record is 1.8. I think we're on. How much we have 1. What today right now? 1.2. If we hit like 1. If we hit like 1.3, 1.4 by 7, 4 to 5, 8, we might come close, maybe even break it. And we had 1.8 before. We had like 1.7, 1.6 for like months and months and months straight before. But you know what it is though? A lot of people come here for trades, and that's it. And I think that's honestly the wrong reason to come here for. I know we win a lot of trades, but a lot of people come here for that reason. So when they see, like, we had a slow month in August, slow month in September, and I think that month was when we dropped viewers down to, like, I think we're averaging like maybe 1,900 per stream, right? Like 1,000 or 900. So the people who left are people who just came for trades, right? Because we had a slow month. And those guys left, and then things picked back up for Q4, and then, you know, guys are just coming back. But I mean, this is kind of how the industry goes, you know. You can't really fix that. But I can tell you guys how to improve as a trader. To improve as a trader, you gotta come to the streams and learn, not come to the streams and copy every trade we take. Even though it's a little bonus, yeah, but you know what? What's more important is learning the process. Yeah, learn the process. Yeah, learn and understand how I drew my zones. What I'm waiting for. Why am I waiting for this level? Why am I not waiting for this candle? You know, like, there's a lot of things you learn throughout the live streams. Because then you can just replicate the stuff yourself. You can just replicate the trades yourself without me after. Right? Whenever you want. However you want. As many times as you want. You don't gotta hear me say, you know what, chat, I'm not getting in here. You know how frustrating that is for a lot of people who come just for a trade? They see me wait 3 hours a day for a setup, and then I pull a line of, you know what, chat, I'm gonna call that a day here. You know, they get frustrated. So when you know how to fish, you can kind of just take as many positions as you want. If you want money, you don't want to learn and earn. You know what it is, man? I think what it is people want money, but they don't know how. No one taught them how to learn and earn. So that's what we're doing. Like, no one taught them. That's what it was. It's not like they don't want to. They definitely want to learn, but they don't know how. They don't know what process. Like, what the process is. And that's what we provide. Trade taking? What am I doing here? Trade taking, where is that? There we go. This gold position sold. We're not in no positions, my guy. We are in no positions right now. We are waiting here. You could get the range 1 here, but I want to see how the 3rd minute closes here in about 7 minutes here. personally, I think at this point we gotta wait for sells below 18.45, 689. There's no direction in this range here, right? YouTuber says it's impossible to make 10% per month. What are your thoughts? Definitely not impossible. I think people will always give you their perspective based on the way they trade, which is respectable. And that's what should be given. But I would say don't believe everything you see on the internet, because there's plenty of traders out there that make 10% per month, 15% per month, 20% per month, 4% per month, like consistently too, consecutive months back to back to back, right? Plenty of traders. So I think that from his perspective, he might, I don't know what he means by that. I'm not too sure, but I don't know. Maybe following like a different risk management plan, that maybe following like a, I don't know, risking 1% per week plan or something. I don't know. I don't know his perspective, so I can't really make my judgment. But I think it's possible. I mean, I think for 2022, I've only had maybe 2-3 months where I didn't make 10%. I mean, we had almost 100% month in December, right? Like 100% month in December. I kind of won't line up. Okay, here it is. Yeah, so maybe 100% month in December. I think it was like 80%, something like that, in December, quarter 4. What's going on? Yeah, I think December. This is December, 177. I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 100% account growth from 133. All right. I think it's like 80. I forgot what the balance was. I think it's like 80%. It was almost 100. But again, just because I had a 100% month in December doesn't mean I'm going to this year or this month aim for 100%. There's no target. There's never a target. You should never have a target for what percent to make a day, a month, a year. You should not have a goal, because once you have a goal or a target, you're going to force trades to reach that point. And not every day presents the same opportunities, the same volatility. So when you're forcing a certain percentage to make a certain percentage and you don't get that volatility to make that percentage in a day, you're going to start to overtrade, right? Or over leverage, because you're trying to make that percentage, that goal of yours. So that's why having a goal is irrelevant. It's not needed. Just trade the markets for what it is, right? If the market gives you volume, then take the volume. If it does not, then I guess you're not getting positions, and that's fine. The markets are open tomorrow again, right? There's also, for me, there's no limit to how many trades I take a day. There's no 1 or 2 trades a day. There's no, no. Because when the market presents an opportunity, there's days where I would take maybe sometimes 1 to 10 trades. Some days I take 1 trade. Some days I take 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, right? Some days I take 0. There's weeks where I took 0 trades. But I've built my discipline to a point where I understand that every trade I take are all high probability trade setups. So therefore, I don't have the urge to take a trade every day, because I'm only waiting for high probability trading setups. Right? So therefore, sometimes you might get 4 in a day. Sometimes you might get 1. Sometimes you might get 10, 20, right? I think one day in December, I had like 15 trades. But it's not like that every day. I'm not expecting to come and take 15 trades. It's just whatever the market gives me, right? Try to sound that? I know. Like yesterday I took 0 trades, or sorry, 4 trades. Today I took 2 trades. Might get another one, might not. Like I might spend the whole New York session just watching price action, just move. Or I could spend the rest of the New York session looking for or getting more positions. But you never want to have targets. You never want to have, like, you can have a goal in trading. My goal in trading is to be disciplined this year. But don't have a goal like, my goal in trading is to make 100% account growth so I can pay, so I can quit my job by the end of the year. You know, like, you don't want to have that goal because you're adding pressure for no reason. Unnecessary pressure leads to impulse decisions. Do you call yourself a successful trader as a 23-year-old? Probably not. I would not. I would say I'm like, yeah, I guess successful, yeah, but in terms of like, this is where I'm at, like, this is it, like, this is my final form, probably not. Like, we grew so much December, so much last year. Like, every year we're looking to adapt and find new ways to improve. So like, if you're asking, this is it, like, this is all we got, probably not. Every year we find ways to improve, right? No matter how much success we had last year, the year before, the year before that year, we're always looking for more ways to improve and get better. So we'll see, chat, if I become a multi-millionaire by the age of 35 driving a Ferrari. Yeah, I got maybe another 12 years now, but I don't know, a lot could change in a year. But what you want to do always is you just want to show up and be consistent. Show up every day and just be consistent. And you get the results you want. If some of them again, I'm just trolling, yo. Nah. So I can get a Tesla. Nah, I'm getting an M4. I'm getting my drivers this month. And then April I'll get my M4. I'm in the mix right now. Like, I don't know what M4 to get. I'm looking at I want the 2022 one, or I want the 2021, but it doesn't have all-wheel drive. I live in Canada. I might need that for snow, or I don't know. The 2022 one has it, but I like the 2021 model a lot better. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, chat. I gotta figure it out. Yeah, why do you always talk about cars, chat? Why do y'all make me talk about cars? Like, when I talk about a car, it's just like, hey, don't get this, don't get that. You car guys are equivalent to SMC traders, man. Yo, the Toyota Supra is kind of hard. Next, my own broker. Nah, I can't. If I have my own broker, bro, we'll have unlimited wins every day. Nah, don't get a Supra. Y'all like the Supras? Motorcycle is too dangerous, man. I need to get my M license. Yeah, I don't know. Motorcycle's dangerous. It's cool, but it's as a kid, I was like, yo, I always wanted a motorcycle. As I got older, I'm like, yo, anything can happen to you on a motorcycle, man. You go pretty fast in that stuff. Get a Hellcat. For real, God gave me legs. Yeah, you guys have no excuse. You guys should be walking everywhere. No excuse not to. Why are you not increasing your equity and increasing your losses? How long have you watched this for, bro? Is this your first day here? Come on, bruv. If you were here for at least a week, you would know that every year I increase my lot size once a year. So this year we're probably gonna go from 20s to 30s. 2021 I was popping 5 and 8s. 2021, yeah, 5 and 8. 2022 I was popping 10 and 20s, and 2023 would be probably popping 30 lots. Only one increase a year though. How about you guys, chat? What do you guys do in terms of risk, lot sizes? Some of you guys go by percentage risk, which is fine. I go by fixed lot sizes. I don't know why. I just like the way it looks. Don't ask me why. I don't know. I just like the way fixed numbers look. I don't like seeing like a 4.55 lot or a, 9.4. I like to see nice fixed numbers. 0.4 right now, not bad. Point four. A lot of 0.4s here. Now looking for 30 subs. We are. Yeah, I do percentages too, like percentages slash fixed. Like I know for a fact that if I lose, like let's say I take a trade today, my risk would be like roughly like 2% risk would be like almost 10,000, 9,000, 10,000, right? So on a 20 lot, that's like 50 pips. But obviously we really have a 50 pip stop. We might have maybe like a 20, 30, right? So I'll be losing like maybe 1.7%, like 1.something% per trade of the account, of the overall cap though. Like, cause I go off of overall cap though, put aside for FX, right? Not just this account. So in terms of that, it's a lot below 1%. I mean, it was 1% in December, but something happened in December. I don't know. Um, 10 lots, not bad. Usually 0.810, not bad. Yeah, you want to gradually grow your lot sizes, chat. You want to go from like a 1 to a 2 to a 3 to a 4. Like, you don't want to just jump from like a 0.10 to a 1 lot. It's a huge jump, and your mind might not be prepared for that. You may think you're prepared, but realistically, you may just be over risking to make back some profits or losses, right? And you don't want to do that. This is a nice 5 closure. Let's see, yeah, the 30 closure, 30-minute candle close. How did it close here? 30-minute candle close. Yeah, see, you close above that resistance there. I'm probably gonna wait for this high likely chat 1 hour close probably, or maybe you might get a closure below 1845, but we shall see. This is hype. Yeah, this shit is lady. You started going up. Hey, where's my boy Paul the Bear?
What's the deal?
What up, Wix?
You hear an echo?
Huh?
Do you hear an echo when I speak?
Nah.
Okay, I hear myself.
What color is your MetaTrader? Forget the Bugatti. What color is your MetaTrader? Yeah, this is definitely the music you need when you're in a position. When you're in a nice gold trade during NYC, that's what you need. You guys don't like the overlay? Oh, you guys. Is like the overlay? I think what I'm gonna change though, I'm gonna change the bottom right. Maybe take up less space there, and then I gotta add an extra longer length on the price action thing.
Just even them out?
No.
Why not?
No. Because the whole industry started copying us, so I gotta change it up. and do something that Woody wouldn't do. Nah, just like the inspiration behind it was like, he has no like windows. You have like different tabs open. That's what it kind of is. Like you have different tabs, like the tabs, trades taken, price at, you know, like that was the vibe I was going for. I can't use this right now. I gotta. Create a poll? No, no poll, bro. No poll.
We already created a poll. He's a US 30 monster. Created a monster.
You have the music Wix? I'm playing copyright free music. No one.
Yeah, I hear it. It sounds like Skrillex.
There's different types. Much better and easier on the eyes. Which one? This one?
Right now. What you got going on right now? There's a lot of black, not too much purple popping out. The boxes make shit pop out. Not me.
I'm gonna chalk this one.
Hey, chalk this one.
I just got bored of it. Every stream looks the same though.
Economically. Well, no, some people try to switch it up. Some of them do the camera on the bottom. I just think the top left for camera is ideal because that's where the least stuff goes on in trading. The top left.
Yo, you have a whole empty box. Are you gonna put the chat there or something?
No, I'm waiting for a sponsor.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm putting your ad can go here. Hang on there. Your ad here and a phone number. That's what I'm gonna have.
Trade of Don Vo. Now.
I was on stream with Don making content.
Don, why did you shift from almost only looking at the 5 to the 1 hour, or looking at the 1 hour time frame to now looking at the 5 minute time frame? We didn't really shift. We just adapted.
Too shifty.
Yeah, it's not like we never looked at the 5 before, or we never like sample sized it. Like we spent some time on it. Oh, I spent a lot of my time, yes, Wix, off stream especially. I think it was the month of November when you know it was first brought into Wix's attention, and from there it just got annoying for him to hear about it every day.
No, it just made sense where I'm not like, you'd explain it to chat and chat would be like, what about this? What about that?
Your mic's a little low right now. I don't know why.
Okay. How about now?
Yeah.
But it just got, I'm not like.
Wait, no, it's still muffled.
Hold on. How about now?
Yeah, it's better.
Yeah, so I'm just saying I'm not at the stage where most people in the chat are, most people on stream are, where they're still learning the initial concepts, and so it's not like I was over there like, hey Don, well what about this or what about that? Like you know, there's questions that Don can clarify, but I'm not in his DMs 24/7 going, well what about this? What about this 5 minutes? And this 5 minutes?
Yeah, like you already knew the foundations of what we were doing. It's just adding more on.
Very simple, yeah. You add another layer, and it's like, all right, dope. This works even better now. But feel you, like introducing this on stream is tough because then it's like, well, these guys have not mastered what we've been doing, and now you're adding another layer.
Just like anything else, chat, that we brought into the stream, like the onion, the celery, like throughout the years. This is just another one of those. So it takes some time for sure. Like don't just like if I take a trade today based on the 5 and you don't understand it, don't take it. Just watch me take it and try to understand why I took it, right? Or I'll probably explain it to you. And as you see me constantly do that every day, you'll get a much better understanding of it. And then by like the 3rd, 4th month, I mean, add to your arsenal, right? Add to your playbook.
I didn't start taking 5-minute trades till January, till this week. I just started taking 5-minute trades.
Yeah.
But I spent all of December trying to take 5-minute trades or sample size in them.
But believe me when I say this, we're still using the same concepts. Like, trust me, we're like when I do my analysis
Nothing
every
new.
day, it's nothing new, man. I promise you. It's still the same 1 hour, still the same 30, still the same 40, same daily, same weekly, same
But
monthly.
it's gonna be incredible this year. I'm like, just for this week, I said I started doing it this week, but for this week, I'm 3-0 for Asian session, right?
Next week, come back first trade.
Yep. No, we're gonna slay this year. And a big reason why I didn't want to come back yet, I wanted to trade live markets and see how this is
prepare
going
for the week.
See how many positions I'll get without looking at GJ and involving other pairs. And I've been getting solid 1 to 2 positions every single day for Asian, right? So it's gonna be a great year. The way you started is the way you spent it, right? And I'm starting it with hitting the ground running, right? Spend it.
Cheer.
Hard to hear, Wix. Why is it hard to hear me? You guys can't hear me? The music's a bit too stressful.
Wix's volume is very low right now. It is very low. I won't lie. I don't know why.
What about now?
I don't know, your volume's always been low, but today's just a lot lower.
I can make it like this, but
Max it out.
What about now?
Max it out. Say it. Talk. You max it out, I'll adjust you. It's fine. Because I adjusted from my end. So just try max out from your end.
Well, I can max out, but I hear an echo when I max out.
I think that's good.
I got this. It's the Go XLR thing, but I got one on screen. I don't know what you're using to kill your own echo.
Oh, I hear my echo. I hear my voice when I speak on stream. I like hearing myself.
That's what's happening right now. I'm hearing myself.
Yeah, I mean, I like the feedback. I could turn it off if I want to, but
what do you press to turn it off?
well, on the Go XLR, it's called. I just changed my routing. I just turn off my mic to headphone. I don't hear myself no more. But if I turn it on, I hear myself. I like hearing myself, so I get a better understanding of how loud I'm speaking. Or if I gotta raise it up a bit.
Mic to headphone. My screen looks way different. You know what I see?
Markets?
I'm using voice. No, I'm using voice meter banana.
Yeah. That's what I told you, right?
Voice meter banana.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that's what you told me or where I got it. I think I got it off YouTube, but I don't know how to get rid of the echo here.
I think I remember how you gotta turn off your.
Oh shit! I think I did it. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yo, I did it! Woo!
There it is.
Big dubs.
Yo,
But
chat, you guys gotta stop complaining with the music, man. Be grateful that there's music, you know? Be grateful that there's music. Imagine you had to mute a stream. Just be grateful for what you have. Sometimes you can't always get what you want, but you have to learn to adapt and appreciate things in life. Okay? If you blew your account today, hey man, at least you're still well and alive. You're doing just fine. You know when you go to casino chat and you lose so much money and you just come back, you're like, oh man, life's, you know, you're so thankful for your life, you know? Because you lost so much money. You think about the best possible, the next best possible thing.
When you go to the casino with Don, usually you have a lot of money coming in and nothing leaving.
Yeah.
Then you go to the casino, with Marcos, and then you come in with nothing. You leave with like all your money back. And some.
Bro, in Vancouver when we went, we just chugging coffees at 4 a.m. in the morning.
I remember doing that at 4 a.m. in the evening. You ever drink coffee at 4 a.m. in the evening?
my dad drinks coffee at 7 p.m. at night. I saw him drink coffee at 9 p.m. goes to bed at 10. Like, well, why do you drink coffee for an hour? This is like, you know how you work out? It's just part of you after. I don't know. It doesn't even come into effect.
This shit don't make sense at all. Why would you drink coffee? To be up as fuck in your dreams. My ass would be awake. Imagine having to go to work in your dreams. Your ass would be like, yep, I'm at work.
How big are these stops here? You have this range going down. It's very nice. Nice 8 pip advantage point, 8 pip range, 34 pip stop. It's not too bad. 34 pip stop. Close blow in a minute and a half here for a.
What I want to hear is from the Devious team. Is everybody slaying this fucking? Oh shit! There's a Wix card.
Break low.
Is everyone slaying this year? I know K's been killing it.
I've been slaying this year.
You're not part of the like.
Okay.
Hi, y'all.
You've been slaying this year too, though.
Yeah, I'm like, been great.
How many years does it take to become profitable? You know, that's a good question, because
It'll take
as long
everyone
as you
different amount
want,
of time.
as long as you want, man, you could tell yourself you can get profitable within a year, within a month, within a couple days. It all comes down to your life journey, what you've been through, and how quick you adapt. That's it. Like,
Wait,
if
that's
there was a new trader and I were to sit right next to him every day for a week straight, and you know,
Probably.
tell him like, this is what I would do in this situation, and all he would do is just follow and not do anything else, then yeah, I mean, that person can be profitable within a week, right? But again, it comes down to your life. Oh, no bottom up here. And it comes down to what you've been through. Like, were you disciplined already getting into FX? Were you consistent? Comes down to all those things. The way you live your life says a lot about you when it comes to the charts as well, vice versa. I sure was not as disciplined as I am now when I first started trading when I was 19. But then again, I was also like 4 years younger, right? Can we have a meet up in Toronto? If you buy me a Tesla, buy me a Beamer. Hey Chad, when I get my Beamer, we can go to the Toronto car meetup. This channel chat.
This is your captain speaking.
Heading
Please
down.
be aware. Brace for impact. We're maybe heading down here. So
What's the weather like?
weather over here at 1843 is around 14 degrees with a low of 4 degrees Celsius. Nice winds coming in. Nice sun. Expected to rain later at 4:30.
Something tells me this guy's not a real pilot.
To me, I was.
Let me out. I want off this plane. Should run the stream in that voice. All right, closure above. Just got on the trade here.
Spirit Airlines. Yo, what's wrong with flying Spirit, bro?
That shit was definitely not Spirit.
Have you ever flew Spirit?
I flew Spirit, yeah.
Nothing's
I once
wrong with
flew
it, right?
Spirit.
People act like it's a different plane or something. Like,
Bro,
it's just
it
you might get
is.
delays.
Yo,
It's a
let me tell you
nice
something.
373.
I flew Spirit one time. Like when I just started making a little bit of change, I went to Vegas, and the only time I ever flew Spirit. And let me tell you something. If this is a normal seat right here, right? If this right here is a normal seat, this was Spirit.
Okay, you're no way. You're sitting
Bro,
frontwards the whole trip.
I had to stand. You think I sat? This was me. So my ass was like right here. My ass was right here. In the air. And I was just like, wait, fucking circles, yo. And I was just like this. Just leaning against the thing.
All right now.
This was me.
This guy sitting on the crack. Okay, yo.
For 8 motherfucking hours, dog.
First of all, I know why. I know how. I know you're lying.
You see, this like I would never do it, but I can see how people would flip on a plane. Like I would never. Nah, not gonna happen. But like, I can see how this can lead people to be a little frustrated.
A little frustrated. Bro, it's like 8 hours to go to Vegas from Miami.
All right, whatever. It was like 6. Well, it was a miserable 6 hours. I must have stepped on everybody's foot. Like, yo, this shit ain't working right now.
Yo, so was the price
this.
worth it? Because how much is the difference between a Spirit airline and like a regular like?
That shit was not worth it. Like right now, I think back and I'm like, what the fuck was I thinking? Why didn't I just? But back then, like my relationship with money was a little different. You know what I mean? Well, first class, I could have flew fucking JetBlue.
Yo, you can get first class Spirit.
First class Spirit is like fucking regular. It's like fucking the shit below the cargo deck in JetBlue is like business class on Spirit.
Nah.
Damn, what were they gonna do? Recline me back to normal, to straight? Like this shit was like this. If they were gonna add a recliner on fucking first class, it would have brought me back to fucking to straight up. Not even to fucking recline back. That's some bullshit.
Man.
Just sit like you're taking a shit for like 10 hours. Terrible.
4 minutes.
They had no TVs. They had no sense of humor. And they had no snacks.
We can't hear you clear, Don. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? You mean? What do you mean you can't hear me clear? Should be good. No.
First class Spirit is like a seat on a bus. Yeah, maybe on like the city bus. I don't know, tour bus.
Hey man.
Yo,
all
you
that matters
this?
is as long as you got from point A to point B.
I know you have cells below, but if you really look in, you have a nice gladiator candle here.
Yeah, on the 5, yeah. I'm waiting for the 1 hour because you have 3 minutes left, right?
The 1 hour is clean as fuck. You close below there, you're gonna imitate
yeah,
that whole
below
range to the left.
1845, and then below here should be clean. Below 43 should be nice cells coming all the way down towards like 38, 39ish. Pretty neat. Just candy closer in 3 minutes. I guess we'll find out.
Looking in terms of it's good value for if you were to take that gladiator candle on the 5.
I wouldn't mind it if it wasn't like the last 5 minute of like the 1 hour.
This hourly, yeah.
You might as well wait for the 1 hour close, right?
Yep.
At that point. But if it wasn't the 1 hour close, I'll be fine with it. I probably would have been in right now.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm thinking.
This music ain't bad, chat. Okay, depends on the song, the playlist, but this one ain't bad. EDM one ain't bad at least. Train to 5 puts a smile on your face. I mean, why? It's the same thing.
They have to be awake now. They can't be away playing fucking Fortnite.
Oh, for 30 minutes?
Yeah, now you gotta be awake. It might be a 5, but you might have 5 more minutes. The only time it's more than 5 minutes, for sure, is when we tell you it's more than 5 minutes for sure, which will have to do with a higher time frame confluence or something, or closure. Gladiator candle, the candle that breaks you into a new zone. Gladiator, right?
Yeah, news at 8:15.
One that leads the rest of the soldiers, the rest of the volume.
The count that closes outside the range is what he's referring to. You know what I mean? Turn the music down. Studying you daily now.
And your head looks sus.
Studying you daily now. To become profitable, mate. Turning 24 this month and training for over a year. Still trying to find my edge. Well, how long have you been watching us for?
Yo, how come we don't see you? We only see half your face.
Oh, because the camera is like...
You changed the angle. You did. Shit. I remember I used to see the window. Don went from having ASAP Rocky in the background to a mirror to a window to a seahorse.
The light is not a good spot anymore because right behind my head, I gotta move my camera to the side and change it a bit. I'm gonna move my desk around this weekend. Donaldson like Nick Merckx, yeah, his forehead just be like, hey, you got closure here in 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight.
Sell.
all right, you have a nice 1 hour closure below the range, and it looks like close below most recent support. Now let me just see something real quick. I want to see what happened last time. Price closed below this minor support to the left hand side here, so we're gonna go back and take a close look. And
I think it's got to close a little lower, but yeah.
What is this
So
right
it's
here? I'm
exactly-
pretty sure
it's-
something right here, 1845, is also a 1 hour support here as well. Yes, this right here, 45. Realistically, you would prefer a closure below there, but it's not like we're taking out a trade here off the 1 hour or anything. So what we're gonna do here is, because if it breaks these lows here, it makes its way down. We'll see it drive down. We can get in positions later on with 5. But one, you gotta wait for news to play out here. So in
You can wait
the next 15
for the
minutes,
5 minutes to close there.
and then yeah, I'll say if you are able to, because look, the 5-minute ranges is below tier 2. Thank you for the tier 2, Evan. Below 1843.886, right? Like that's where you have the cleanest traffic. Hey. Thanks for that tier 2, appreciate it.
Oh, you added the percentages. Dope. I didn't realize it.
Where? Oh, Brenner, yeah. Yeah, chat below here is technically a lot cleaner. But again, we'll see it close below there in 5, right? Below 43. So could close below, could not. It could not close below and just reject here and drive up. I don't know. It is not my job to predict where price is going. It is my job to adapt to the markets. And right now, price is pushing up. There's no bias for me until you break above 18 or 1885 or 51. So you gotta chill. You gotta chill.
So everyone preaches, have a plan, right? Have a playbook. Playbook will let you create a plan for when your setup is near. So you're not entering here, but we are planning. for. We're not like, oh shit, we're gonna take a trade, hope the market gets there. No, we're planning for when the market does get there or when the market does set up. We have a plan in place, right? So that's why the playbook is so key. Having a plan is so key. Knowing what your entry would be, and based on that entry, what your exits are, and what your management is, where it would be managed, is very key. This way, you're not stressed in a trade. You're already, it's pre-planned, so it's not nothing there has to be impulsive. If it's pre-planned, then you know what you're gonna do beforehand. You're not gonna have impulses during the trade because it's pre-planned, right? Just wait for all those parameters to hit, and then you activate, and then wait for other parameters to hit for you to manage risk or to close positions or to add positions, right? Playbook and a plan. Have a plan of attack and a plan of retreat.
Because then you wouldn't just be
Yeah, you wouldn't need to guess or have impulse. Or should I do this?
should I take this position right now, or should I wait here?
Stick to the plan.
Don, what should I do here?
Pretend you discussed this plan of attack with like 10 other people, and they all left, and now you all have to follow this plan. If one of you deviates, it's gonna fuck everybody up, because now you all have this plan to do this shit, right? All you traders have this plan to take a trade at a certain level. If you guys deviate from it, fucks everybody up. Now don't deviate. No, I mean fucks everybody up like other soldiers do. It fucks up your money, right? If your money is your army to attack the market with, you're gonna deviate from the plan. You're gonna start losing some of your army.
Yes.
Money has to work in tune for you. All your money has to work in tune for you. What's the plans? Break the lows or break the highs and come back down to break the lows again?
You want to have a plan. You don't want to be doing this to your chart chat. Like, I think price will do this, and then I think it's going to come down here, create support, and then I think it's going to go up here. And then as it does that, you have this right here and this right here. And this is called a falling wedge, right? You don't want to predict. You want to kind of just see and adapt. You want to be a bandwagon, man. Like when you see a team play and the team's ahead, you want to be cheering for that team. I know it's not the best thing to do, but when it comes to trading, that's what you want to do. You want to come in second place because you're not coming in first place. You're not beating the markets, right? You gotta drop that ego. You gotta understand that the markets will move however it wants to move. It doesn't know what you're doing, and all you're doing is just following the markets and adapting.
I'm lazy to think in this game. Is it wrong? I mean, when you're broke, you can tell your friends, "Yeah, I was just lazy to think." Right? When you're fucking fully, in poverty and can't fucking afford shit, be like, "Yeah, I was just too lazy to think." And then ask yourself, was that wrong?
That is true. I feel like we're in Miami right now. Yeah, when was last been to a club? Bust the moves, bro.
This music is wild. Ooh. Yeah, I swear I'm done with MT5 charting. It's pissing me off.
You think we would have a high win rate this year on stream? I don't know. I mean, the goal, that is what we would want to do, but I mean, we hope so. Yeah. Like we always want to be better. We always want to improve. So far, every year we've improved our win rate and our percentage. So our win rate last year was 78. We gotta just, or 76. You guys got 76 and over.
Just want to make more money. You know what I mean?
I think
Made
next
more money
year,
last year than the year
though,
before last.
I think next year maybe because how I see it. So here's how I see it. We were in an era from 2021 to 2022 of the 31-hour, 4-hour closure above. But right now we're in the era of the 5-minute time frame. Right? Because 2021 was the era, and 2022 was the year. So this is the era. This is the beginning of the era, and then next year's the year. So next year, chat, you know, that means you guys, you know, got chilling streams. Come back next year. No, I'm playing.
Next year is the year of optimization for the 5. It's gonna be ideal.
Optimization. There you go. Yeah, man, we'll make more money for first class Spirit tickets. That is the goal, man. To make it first class for Spirit. But yeah, I mean, going off of January so far, I think we had a better January than last year already. The V3 journal, Chef's Kiss. Oh, yo. Man, the V3 journal chat, I don't want to hear no one complaining. It is a free journal, and you guys have access to that stuff, right? Like, you guys should be, like, using this to your advantage. Everything you want is on this journal, I think. Everything people requested from last year, add percentages, add this, add that, it is on this journal. Everything. Add more pairs, you got it. Add more years, you got it. Look at the stats. Look how they're divided now. You can go off of a quarter, off of like, you know, look how organized it is. Shout out to Badger. Is it view only? No, sir. If you go on the journal welcome page, it says to use file, make a copy. Yeah, do that. But yes, I have no excuse, man. Well, I mean, we can add more stuff next year if you guys want to add more stuff. Yo, you guys can even calculate your break-even trades as a win or a loss or just a break-even.
Just put more stuff in the box. You know what? We're actually 100% on the monthly.
Yes.
Undefeated, never lost.
We are actually 100% the monthly. With this new spreadsheet, you don't know how is going with yourselves on each time frame, just an overall the setups.
You going to add nuances to the playbook? No, the playbook is just the playbook. Nuances is for the website, or to learn the strategy.
You are right. I knew something was missing. Well, actually, you do know it right here.
What's
No?
missing?
Oh wait, no, not that setup.
What are you talking about?
Well, you know, like the over averages of of everything, not each time frame, but the average of everything. That's what we didn't have last year, right? Would you guys rather have for monthly, or for the time frame win rate, or like just the win rate overall, what it is?
Shit, I'd rather have the overall. The more stats, the better.
Yeah.
I don't want to have a little small sample size. When people ask you what's that win rate for, like 2 months last year, you can be like, no,
No, last year was for the time frame. Like you can look at the how like the percentages of the win rate for the flip on 5. But this year you can see just the flip for everything. I mean, you might as well look at everything. It's the same entries, right? Same setups. That's what we thought, at least. I mean, you can still use the old one if you want to. Might be missing a couple updates. Sounds a banger. I just know it. News? Yeah, news in 2 minutes here. Yeah. We're gonna wait for news chat, and we're gonna wait for. I think there's no 8:30 news, is there? There's a orange folder or something like that. Unemployment claims, yeah, orange folder, and then probably like 8:35 we'll get positions probably. 8:35, 8:40. Again, I hate news days, but
DJ buys. Drop a chart, Perry.
yeah, drop a chart. Perry the platypus. Mark my words, it's gonna drop.
It's
Yeah,
not
man.
gonna drop.
So should I take a 100 pip lot sell here?
No, just mark his words.
Mark it.
Are they marked? Beautiful. Wix, when we start streams next week, we're hitting the 5. We're trading the same way we traded. Yeah, we'll have some trades off the 5, but
You guys are saying as if this is a new language or something, chat. It's the
Yeah,
same
it's
language,
crazy to
man.
me.
We're still speaking vegetable terms, man. Don't worry. We're still speaking in veggie terms. Onions, celeries.
we're gonna trade the same way in Asian as we traded in Asian all of Q4, and the same way we traded on the New York session stream for the last 2 years. One thing we're gonna do, we're gonna zoom in on time frames.
Yeah, we go live every day. 6:30 a.m. Eastern, Monday to Friday. Yeah. Where's the playbook
Asian
in
session's
Discord?
back.
Yeah, link in the bio. Alrighty. Nice pushes, nice pushes.
Start next week, 8 p.m. Eastern as well. I like that it cleared out and broke the lows there.
Yeah. If there was a news
gotta
here,
come back
820
down.
comics open. Because you get a close below 1843 here in 4 minutes here. Comics opens up. Next count, I like to just drive if this count closes below.
That's when it starts tonight, because I have plans for the rest of the week for the evenings, and I'm doing things in the evenings, testing things out. You know.
GJ? Yeah. Not much I can do until you break out above 160.029. Sailing on gold here, not much I can do. Could it drop another 100 pips? Of course it can. Will it be my worries? No. It is not my trade to take until you close below the range here. Right, chat? Because now you have all this range going down towards 1839. All this range going down. Nice 35 pip range going down. It's not too bad.
Times news. Let me look.
At 815, then you had 830.
8:15. Oh, that's what it was. That drop was the.
Yeah. That's why I didn't take
News.
positions at earlier for sells. For the news.
Yeah, but 8:20 here, I'm fine with.
And then you have 830 news. That's the thing. You have unemployment claims.
Employment claims. Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see how comics does. We might get positions for comics. We'll
That's
see.
what I'm
2
saying. I
minutes
think
here. If this closes
comments
below,
don't see volume.
I mean, they're expecting with unemployment claims, because for ADP they expected good numbers, right? I'm guessing numbers came out good. For unemployment claims, less is good. They might expect bad numbers from unemployment claims there. So things get a little interesting here. We'll
I
see.
think we're a bit priced in here because of price action.
Yeah. Let's see.
And then typically news will just, you know, amplify price action, and it'll drive in the direction of price action. Markets don't typically just reverse.
Two minutes. Look at this range, chat. Just clean. Just what a price action trader would wake up for every day. This is what they love to see. Just clean traffic. How many of you guys have FOMO right now? You're just like, oh my god, it's dropping. Please stop dropping. Please. Don't have FOMO, chat. There's no need to have FOMO. It is not your trade tick if you weren't in. If it was your trade tick, you would have been in. If you weren't in, you didn't get in for you didn't get in for a reason, because it wasn't part of your plan. So now you can't say, oh, I missed the move. Nah, man, you would have been in if it was part of your plan, right? Because with sample, if it was part of your plan, it means
he's dropping markets. Can't have FOMO if you in that bitch. Nice profits. Yeah, everyone that marked Nexus's words is in nice profit.
No, mark my words today at 6:30.
You said mark them. I would have marked them. I'm gonna buy. What should I do, trader? I don't know. Ask Nexus.
Yeah.
Delete MT5.
Oh, nice wick fill here.
You can't close it.
Oof. Not too
5
bad,
seconds.
huh? Not too bad with the closure.
2,
Wow.
1. Sell. It's Comex. Boom.
I'm gonna see how I'm gonna try to see if I can have a sell stop here. On the break of the lows here. On this 5. Hello.
Break the low, the previous 5.
1842 680. There we go.
Why not just take the trade?
Gotta sell stop your chat.
1842.
1842.68 on the break of the lows of this candle. Target is gonna be like 18. You can probably target like 18. Well, actually, you know what? We might. Let's see. The flip is how big of a difference. 5 pips, not much. Yeah, initially the flip wasn't too bad. 38 pip stops though, 37 pip stops, and then target is gonna be it's a previous 5 stops, right? And then target's gonna be roughly you can probably put it down like at 1838 ish levels.
My question to you is, why not just enter off that close of the previous candle, expecting the 5 to drive?
Well, by the time I saw it, it already had a bottom wick. Right, so it's the rebreak out of those.
So no really valid reason, just the timing, just the way you saw it from when you saw it.
Yeah. I mean, I know why you're asking. You're not asking in terms of what chat is thinking. You're asking for logic.
Oh yeah, I'm trying.
Yeah, no.
My goal is to understand your logic.
No, I just kind of saw it the way I saw it.
I was
by the
in
time
as soon as the candle closed.
Oh, I believe I'm active here, chat. Chat, I got active for sell stops here. Stops at the previous kind of highs. Target is somewhere down here, 1837, 741 is shooting price target. But yeah, break-even point will probably be like this level right around here at the 1841.167 mark. At that point, we'll probably be risk-free. Overall, I mean, we shouldn't break those highs if price wants to drive down here in this situation.
Yeah, so I entered as soon as we closed at 1843.14.
Yes, yeah, you had to enter in the flip, right?
It was basically the flip. It was the closure of the previous candle.
Yeah.
Not that I didn't expect the top wick here, but look at the higher time frames. Massive wick. Just expecting the 30 and the 1 hour to just continue driving. Right? And the 1 hour range is clean as fuck.
I was looking at the flip too for an entry. But not the flip on when it opened up. The flip when it created a top
Came
wick.
back up,
Yeah.
reflip, yeah.
But it was like a 5 pip difference here. So I'm like, you might as well wait for the breakout lows, right? That's
If
why
it
I
was
waited
like
for.
8 to 10 pips. It would make sense. Oh.
Put my stops here just in case. There we go. Yeah, chat stops for me are like 1840. What did I put? 40, 18. Let me get this exact price point for you guys. 1846.91. That's my stops. Actually, I gave 9.3. Yeah, cover spreads. Pretty much the break of the highs there, right? If price breaks the high, what's likely gonna happen after is price is probably gonna make its way back up. Come back up to the range here, or maybe come back up to here. But you shouldn't be in a trade anymore if price were to break the high. So that's why the stop is gonna be the break of the highs.
What's your stop? 1846.9, but why?
The previous 5 zone. The previous 5 candle.
Oh, previous 5 candle.
Yeah.
Got my stop a bit higher.
Where do you have it? Up here? 48?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, not there. 47.2.
Well, yes, I mean, same price point. Basically, the break of the highs, right? Different broker. So, like, you're asking about this. Yeah. It's the same stops though. It's just different price point. Our stop is also the current 15 stop as well. You do have 5 minutes for its 15 closure. You would probably want this 15 to close respecting the support here, because if it does not respect the support, what you might see is the next 15 make its way kind of back up. And you can say, yeah, you say news at 8:30 as well could push price up if price were to do that on this 15. So we'll see in 4 minutes or how we could manage risk and such off of this 15 closure here, 15/30 closure.
We closed below here on every time frame pretty much.
Yeah.
And the previous 4 hour closed below, broke the previous 4 hour.
What do we get there? Like yeah, like 2 pips. Wasn't even like, I just showed 7. Once. Stop last. 2, 3. Three minutes, chat, to see how we close there. If we flip up and you know, obviously re-break the highs before we close, then I mean, we can't really do much about stops in that situation, right? Or much about risk management. For me, at least, I need to see a closure. If it hits, then it just hits.
You're planning on adding positions?
No, not with news. No. If we survive news, yeah. If we survive news when we close like bearish below the range, like let's say like the 30 closes bearish below like 1843, then yeah, because then it'll just be another 30-minute entry. but it won't be much of a difference though. I think the difference between that and our entry point would be maybe like, actually that's 12 pips difference. Yeah, that's not too bad. Let's see. We gotta close below first. Brandon.
Because there's gonna be a 5 fake out, right?
Yeah.
Closing below there. The 5 came down, came back up, now back down in range. It's the fake out to continue driving down. Hey, 420 likes. You know what I gotta do for that? Go hit this
30.
bad J right now.
How big are D stops? Yeah, it's a little too wide. 62.
What, to go to 48?
Yeah, too wide. But most logical was the 5 anyways. Like it was above his range anyways.
I think once you're coming up above 46, you're gonna fill to 48.
I didn't place my TP. I don't know.
Me neither, actually, because I'm gonna close manually.
I just forgot. Yeah, like the hourly has all clean traffic going down. It's just a matter of what the news is gonna do here is the question.
Matter of time, actually. Eventually, the hourly has to get filled. The clean range will get filled. Will it get filled right now, or will it pull back for more liquidity and then get filled?
Yeah. Because like if you close above, right, you're probably gonna make your way back up to like 1850, 51-ish. But as long as you close respecting support, it can still break the highs. There's a possibility with news you might break the highs, but as long as you still flip bearish and you close below this strong support here, chat, any given point, you can still drive. Again, risk manage is up to you. I already showed you guys my risk management plan. If you want to manage risk beforehand, go ahead and do so. It's all up to you. Spreads 2 pips. Okay, you have news here. News came out. 30 closed below the range gladiator. The 5 had a close bearish. I mean, again, we're still in a trade. Nothing really happened just yet. Aside from the fact that there's a new kind of opened up. Yeah.
Every time frame closed below, and the 30 just closed below that last level. If you look at the 30,
yeah,
the last level to the left.
Technically, a 30 stops would be more ideal above here, but I'm just gonna put the trust into the 5 here. Current 5. Yeah, this 5 came up create a top wick for that 5, so we can flip bearish and break the lows. It should be good. If it flips bearish and breaks the lows, chat, what we can do is we can move our stops down to the current high like this, right? Instead, we'll save like maybe 5 pips, not much, but we'll see. The 15 closed below though.
Lifesaver.
Yeah, 4 pips lifesaver.
Yeah, throw them a lifesaver.
I forgot to do this.
Click a button, select something, and scroll down.
How did numbers come out? I'm guessing neutral, right? Off of what we kind of saw in price action.
Let's look it up.
Positive. So it came in our favor. Both numbers came out positive. So yeah, it's in our favor. Technically, price should continue to drive down. Both folders, I think ISM and also this folder came out both positive for $1. So therefore, technically we should see a push, but again,
it wasn't going to reverse the market. If it came out negative, market would still drive down, just bottom out, and then start driving up. You don't see like a immediate reversal. So it would have had to either fill the wick or retest the highs, and highs and lows get retested. The concepts don't change. Ranges get filled.
Flip.
Why do they get filled? Because highs and lows get retested.
You came back to break even at one point, right? For you, because you had a better entry.
Yeah, I did come back to breaking. I came back to. I was in drawdown.
Well, I think we were all in drawdown. I think we're all in drawdown.
At one point, yeah, but I had a better entry and I was still in drawdown.
I think we're still in drawdown. You never seen profit?
Well, I saw profit. I saw 7 pips with, and I got 2 pip spread, so I saw roughly 5 pips of profit.
Wait, what the hell? This is off. This trade
I'm
journal.
on break even right now.
Stream.
Hey, I see profits.
Yeah, chat. If you guys, again, if you guys don't like to trade, if you're in, and it's around the break-even point, you can just close full here if you don't like the trade. I still have the trade going up. I'm obviously still in here. Didn't really do much yet. Gonna see how this 30 closes for next step to managing risk. All right. If this 5 can close bearish, that'd be great, because then the next 5 likely just pop down as well. Doing something like this, but we shall see. I said how I was looking to add positions if we close below this support here, but you did not on the 30, right? 30 just closed right above it. How come we're missing trades here? Did we not take a trade on stream yesterday?
One trade. Came up busted.
Oh no, we did. I didn't have the date.
Came fucking on you, cause.
820. New York gold.
Told you how to buy gold.
No breakout. 5.
Had a dub yesterday.
Oh, hello, 5. Oh, cool. I want to change this.
Hey, got another closure below here.
Oh yeah, 5 just closed. Yeah. What was my break-even point again, chat? I think I said 1841.167. That'll be our break-even point probably. Yeah, about there sounds about right. What is this right here though?
Close half at 11.
You got 11? Godly.
Yeah, I just hit BE. I'm out.
I got like 8.
I got 12 and change with spread.
Yeah, 1841 chat, 423, 1841.167 is where I'll probably look to move stocks to break even. Or if it rebreaks its own low.
Yeah, I went break even at the fill of the wick, and
I mean, you had a better entry too, right? So.
Yeah, but my entry was really only because I'm not the one streaming.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, you had more time.
Well, I was prepared.
All right, chat. At this point, I'm gonna move stops to break even here. Didn't close, obviously, but stops to break even. This count should not flip. If we get another opportunity, if we hit break even, we might get an opportunity later. But if it does rebreak the lows here again, you may see a push here, and that push will be our full closure. It's just like yesterday's trade. But if it hits break even, then we're probably gonna have to wait for like 9 a.m. But this 5 no bottom wick, this thing flips bullish. You may hang in this range for a bit, right? So yeah, that should just hit break even for us. So
did it? You hit BE already?
Yeah.
Oh,
I think I peaked like maybe what did I see there? Like 14. Yeah, just BE. If we spent all that time grabbing liquidity, I would expect at least us to drop a little further. So that's why I didn't really close at 14. I just managed risk at 14. I would have expected at least like 1840.740, right? Off the way we reacted beforehand. But probably gonna wait for like 9 a.m. here, chat. 9 a.m. probably. Maybe we might get another trade beforehand. We'll see, but probably 9 a.m.
It's got us close strong bearish here by 45.
Yeah. I mean, at least the streak
Oh, it's gonna
continues.
fill the fucking range by 9.
Yeah, chat. You want to have a short memory now? You know, if you got a break even, you cannot say, "Oh man, I wish I should have held there." Like, just if I held for an extra 30 seconds, I would have been in profit again, and I would have closed full here. Oh, really? Right? So you want to be on to the next trade. Just like Yes's win. On to the next trade.
Took a big L. Well, then there's no way that your next trade should be based on this big L. There's nowhere in your next trade where that L should be a part of the equation. Should be trying to make it back. You should forget you ever took that L. Find out why you took the L. Because some people took a W in this trade, right? I got a W. Some people came out break
Some
even.
people close at 14, yeah. Who knows?
So that's what I'm saying. Like, if you took a loss there, evaluate why. Because you could have won. Should have won. There's a reason why you lost. There's somewhere in there it went wrong. Spend the next 5 minutes figuring out where, or save it for later, and that's it. Forget about the trade. Never happened. Learn a lesson though. Don't forget the lesson. The stats, the data you keep on your trades is your best friend, because later on it can help you with your approach to trades. Like, we look at our percentages and how certain trades do, right? And we figure out how to approach them. Same thing with that L. But
Like,
if
chat.
you took an L and others won, there's something went wrong there.
Like, pay attention to what I did in that case, right? Like, what I say here, I'm like, I said before it was even place, this is the break even point. At this point, I'm moving stocks to break even. So when price came down, what I do? I moved stocks to break even. I just followed my plan. So I did. So that's why planning ahead is always much better, because once you get to those points, like once, let's say, price they drive down to that line, you don't hesitate, right? And as you hesitate, you start to think impulsively, like, maybe you can drop further down here, or maybe I can hold longer, or maybe I could, like, you don't want to, you want to plan ahead, so when it comes to that time, you don't hesitate, and you do as you say. In that case, that's all I did. Just like yesterday's trade, price came up, tapped a certain level, we closed foam that we marked up on the charts, right? So you just want to follow your plan. That's all that matters at the end of the day. You follow your plan, you win. Doesn't matter what the result was. No,
Load shedding going to start for me in 20 minutes. Thank you. With load shedding, you going to the gym?
No, that's electricity coming. I know that because all my fucking VAs, every
that's for the power
VA
plants.
I've
I know
had
what it
has that
is.
load shedding. Yeah.
They have to. It's to make sure the power for the plant is not over.
It's like, how long is it? Like an hour or something? Why'd you close? We just explained it, my guy. do you not? You got me on mute. I stuttered. No, it's we tapped the level that we mentioned. Price rejected that level afterwards and hit the B point. What more do you want me to say? That was just the plan.
Wix, you got a gym at home? No, there's a La Fitness down the block. La Fitness.
I was like, oh, is this gonna be our first loss of the year?
Make it make sense. I feel like Terry been here too long.
I feel like chat gets mad at me when I follow my plan and I don't follow their plan. Chat, never have I ever followed someone else's plan. And I never will. Because you want to always learn from yourself. You want to learn from your own mistakes. You want to learn from your own errors, your own fault, your own sample sizing. You can't just take someone's word, right?
Keep in mind, guys, that the 1 hour is a heavy uptrend. We simply don't know how far this could go down. I'm so confused.
I don't know why it feels like we just take a loss or something. God,
Nah, the chat took a loss, bro. The chat has taken the L in 2023 because 2022, the same people here in chat.
How did chat take a loss
Not
though?
this wild. I'm just saying, the
I
chat's
think
an
it
L
came
right
like
now.
4 pips away, right? Spreads weren't that wide.
Wix9 really said heavy on her. No, Wix9 is reading the chat. That's why we're laughing.
Yo, Wix, how come you didn't take an entry there as 1 pip away from the stops?
Say that again?
How come you didn't take an entry there when it was 1 pip away from stops?
I don't know. It wasn't on my mind. What was on my mind is to take the the 5 fake out. But what was on my mind is also the fact that there was news. So
Yeah.
I would have probably taken the 5 fake out as well. And then probably this closure. Remember the one I said, hey, the 5 closed below? I would probably taken that 5 and we'd be up on all 3 trades right now.
You know, I was surprised though. The first initial push, I wasn't as surprised, but the second, when it broke the highs again, I was surprised that it came up to break the high again.
Wix, why did you exit when down? They don't. That's why I'm saying the chat took a L. You guys have stopped paying attention. But what happened? What happened over the Christmas, New Year's break? You guys stopped listening.
It's the first week back. They're a bit rusty.
I had a different entry, which was
You had a better
sooner
entry
than Don's. Yeah, I had a better entry, and I closed partials and moved to break even sooner. So when it came back and you guys were in drawdown, I was already in break even. I hit my BE, and then you guys went into profit, moved to BE, and then it hit your BE. Which you like better, commercial gym or home gym? Thinking about building one in the shed. I don't know how big your shed is, but if it's big enough to build a fitness in there, then do it.
Why do you have to wait for 9 a.m. to look for a 5-minute trade? Because that's the next 4 hour close, right? Once the 4 hour closes, you have a whole candle to dissect after. It's a whole new 4 hour candle. It's a very crucial candle in the day. It's also the candle before the NYC. So, I mean, you may get a trade here beforehand, but look at the markets. Like, look at price action. How am I going to get an opportunity here? Where? Look at the range we're in, right? So, let's go into 5 here. You have a bullish close. You have a support formed here now. You have a resistance form like somewhere over here in that range. Don't even get a position if you close below here. But then again, the range will only be a very small range. It's like a 15 pip range going down if you close below there afterwards, right? So at this point, what you want is you want to wait for the 4 hour close. Because with the 4 hour close, you at least see if it closes respecting this support, or will price pull back for a wick fill for us to get more opportunities. Right.
Took a loss, poor management, too emotional, closed half at 825 and tightened my stop loss to 18.4. Well, you can break this down very easily. Did you over risk? How do you know if you over risk? We can find out easily. What's your account size, Rob? Ballpark. What's your account size? And then you can give us what your lot size was on that trade. And then we can nope, 0.5%. So why get emotional? And okay, so you lose 0.5% of your account. Why is that driving your emotions? Why not make it make sense? Why not be logical? I can provide some dope beats that I make for the stream. Dope. Reach out to Don on Discord.
Send it in the design channel. In the design channel.
50K account, 0.25 lot. Okay. Are you serious? So you wouldn't have lost, or you barely would have lost 1% of your account. No, not even 1% of your account. You wouldn't have even lost 1% of the account if you had 50K and 0.25 lots, and you even let it hit full stops. Let it hit full stops. Learn something. Besides the fact that you're too emotional. You already know you're too emotional. You don't need to learn that. Learn the loss. Learn why you lost. In this case, you already know why you lost. Too emotional. Now get rid of that and see if you lose next time without the emotion.
You know what's interesting? Our stop loss in that case Chat, like pay attention to where I play stops in that case, right? Like we entered where? Right here? Where stop was a previous high. It came close. It never broke it though, right? So this is what I mean. Like the 5 tends to respect the previous 5 zone a lot more than the 15-30 minute candle would. Obviously in this case, like the 15 respected, obviously 30 minute respected. They all respected, but it just happened to be the same 5 zone, right? That was being respected.
Care to explain what is? Okay, I know you guys are trolling. You have to be trolling, right? Learn to lose. I mean, here's the thing: you can't learn without losing, right? So how the fuck you're afraid to lose, but you want to learn, but it's counterintuitive, right? But you can't learn without taking the L. Just you can. It's okay to lose. It's not okay to lose and not manage risk. Just to lose whatever. It's not okay. That's your money, right? Manage risk. It's okay to be wrong in an idea, right? But that's the goal. You want to have at least an idea. Once you have a hypothesis, you can test it out, and if you're wrong, you can make adjustments till you're right.
Mm-hmm. Where's the target of gold close below 39? Well, I think we already tapped the target, right? Target was like 39 level. Like that was our 4-hour target today. That was what I said earlier. Next target, it comes down to 4-hour closure, honestly. If we close below here, you might get more positions coming down towards 828. Let's see, yeah, 10 minutes left. It's a lot of time. It's a lot of time. Oh, yo, you know what I just realized? We almost had peak viewers. We had 1760. I didn't even know I wasn't looking at views the whole stream, but wow, we almost had peak viewers.
These likes don't get to 1,000. It's an L stream. Come on, boys. We could get this to 1,000 likes. Let's go.
Yeah, some said came close to stops. They did come close to stops, but we have stops for a reason, right? We don't place that at like just random levels. We place them at levels where it makes most sense, right? In that case, place it there.
There's a reason it, if it hit stops, it'd be in the wrong directions. There's a reason it went down because it never hit the stops, right? Never broke that zone, never broke that level. So it does, your probability driving down gets that much less, and it'll most likely start coming up for more liquidity.
What's your profit so far for those 2 wins? I had 1 win today. I had 2 wins. This is my day. Just like maybe 0.6%, something like that. That was the day. If you don't include Asian was
Reds, that's a break even, right?
Yes.
That's 1 pip.
This is
You're
the
like, damn,
week.
you lost $200. That's a pip, boo.
That's how the week's been. That's the week. That's also the month too. Yeah. Well, I'm pretty sure chat will get an opportunity today. Just be patient though. You want to wait for this 4-hour close, right? It's very key in this case to wait for the 4-hour close.
We typically see the higher time frame, the 4-hour leave some range here at the end. So as it pulls back, why would you want to be here in this pullback? You wanted to leave some range for us to trade.
Yeah. Well, I want this 4-hour close below. Can we? Do you think 1 hour wick fill on GJ? Okay, yeah, I'm not looking at GJ right now. GJ is tough. I wouldn't recommend a 1 hour wick fill. I'll recommend a closure above 159. I think that's what I said earlier this morning. You need a closure above there, and you've done foolery since, or just been in the range since, right? Nothing happened. So you need a closure above there to indicate that we are actually breaking out of the range.
You gotta fuck around.
Hey chat, how many of you guys so like what happened there for you guys though? Yeah, how many of you guys won a trade? How many of you guys broke even? I know some people hold. Again, risk management is always different for people, right?
When he says how many, he wants an exact count, chat. So take your time. You want an exact count.
Break even, win. Okay. BE, win.
Yeah, a lot of people
10 pips.
I think here got the same result as you. It's just the select few that talk, maybe that deviated.
Well,
I held W. I'd rather be. Yeah, mostly it's B and W.
W, nice. Beef on
Yeah,
your style.
you see a lot of people are in tune with what we're doing.
Yeah. Chat, it's just another day in the markets. Some days you get a couple pips, some days you get break even, some days you get wins. But you can't force certain things. Wow, this is a great closure here. If we close below in 5 minutes here on a 4 hour candle, you have so much range going down. And you're breaking daily lows too. So if you're breaking daily lows here, chat, where do you think price is gonna go next? Look left. What do you see looking left? 1829, right? Because if you're breaking the daily lows, you have all this traffic that could potentially get filled. It's happening like 1829 level. So maybe we might get positions here. Maybe, potentially. Wow. Look at all that range. Even below here now. I'm gonna do a refresher chat, like a restart of my chart in about 5 minutes here once we close on a 4 hour.
In about 3 seconds.
That was 3 seconds.
Ding ding.
Yeah, it's very clean. Very clean, my friend.
Yo, can you put Santa on a fucking rocket ship and fly him out of here?
Prepare for
Liftoff.
Ding ding.
Christmas is over. Why is it still there?
Yeah, but that's what I want to know. I remember last year for Christmas you had the little overlay around your camera.
Mm-hmm.
That shit was on for like a week after too.
Live's delayed by a second. It's 15:55:57. Sorry, no, that's the wrong time. It's market time. It's 8:56.
It's delayed by 2.5 seconds for me. 2 seconds.
Depends on your Wi-Fi too. I put the speed to a 1 second delay. That's the minimum. That's the minimum, I think. So. Can we select root 2 of mouse only as we do an MT5 with mouse middle button? I don't know. You can try that though. You asked that question 3 times. I think that's a question you can just try right now. Right? Is that a question? Can we select root 2 with mouse only as we do on MT5 with middle mouse button? I don't know. I don't use that on MT5. I use this. I don't know if that's a statement or that's a question. I also don't use that on TradingView as well. TradingView, I use a measuring tool.
No, you can't do what you do on MT5 on TradingView. It's not gonna do that.
Remember earlier someone was like, it's a dead day
You have
today?
to, you have to hold for trading view. You have to hold shift, and then click the button on the mouse, and it'll do that. There we go. Rob 22's in tune. He knows what's going on. Shift.
Yeah, I guess
and
I'm not
click.
in tune.
Nah, you're not part of the cool club.
Look at this art, chat. If you connect a lot of dots, it's our positions. Chat, who has FOMO right now? Who? I can feel the chat.
Drive,
Chat
it's
either
W.
has FOMO 1 or 2. The chat, oh, they got stack positions like this, like boom, 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 boom.
Drive because W. Well, Hush Purple Link, go over to the Wix9 YouTube channel and sub over there too, and turn on your notifications. I had to do the Asian plug here. We'll be back Monday. We're not streaming Asian today. It's the last, technically it's the last Asian session of this week, of the first week of the new year.
Oh yeah.
And on Monday, we are back for 2023. Asian will continue, and we're going to be here all year. It's going to be my most consistent year yet. So try to stay here. Try to plug up all the holes. When you go on vacation, Don?
Next month.
We'll be covering that too. We'll be covering Don's vacay as well.
Don, how much have you made if you were held? I don't know. I didn't hold. Not my position. 0. I wouldn't have held. I would have moved stocks to break even 10 out of 10 times. Even after seeing this, going back in time, I would have done the exact same then, because that was the plan. That was the plan that we've been following for the past couple of years. You have a 4 closure, chat. Looks like the 4 candle has closed bearish or below his range here. So on that note, looks like we are making our way down next towards like 1828, I'll say. That is our next target here, 1828. Yeah, as for like how we're gonna get down there, well, let's drop down to a small time frame to see what we got going on here. I believe you have a support right here on price that's being respected right now as we speak at the 1833 mark. You also have a resistance up here at the 1836 mark. This is the range you're in. So if price were to create a support here, it'll probably come up towards the 1836 levels. Maybe 1839, but looking at 1836 next. And then obviously if you close below 1833, you'll probably make your way down towards that 4-hour support that you have, right? Which is going to be somewhere down here at the 1828 mark.
Ding ding.
So that's what we're looking at next, probably. Probably going to mirror this traffic to the left in the 5 as well. For price here. Again, it's a nice range going down. It's around 4 pips. Let's see if we close or not. We have 3 minutes left. Hey, this Santa is... Where the gifts at?
Ding ding.
Yeah, where the gifts at?
It'd be dope if we can like shoot him like duck hunt as he's moving across the screen. But other than that,
How much started our account with? The account started with 147,000. Says right there. what an interesting day today not to have music, huh?
Hold on, you had music yesterday?
Yeah, I got taken down.
Oh, that whole stream got
Yo, you
taken
like
down
my
yesterday?
thumbnail today?
Yeah, it's pretty dope. I was laughing all evening yesterday.
World's best stream.
Actually, I was reading that. I was like, did he just throw that in there?
Well, it says world's best boss. So I'm like, oh, world's best stream. I'm sad the thumbnail yesterday got taken down too. It is what it is.
That whole stream got taken down, man. So what are you playing today? Yo, who had the copyright-free music here in chat?
You want to hear the music?
I hear it.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm playing.
This is all copyright-free?
Yeah.
Oh, did he? He dropped it in Discord.
I got a good idea for tomorrow's thumbnail. Shout out to Kieran. It's probably gonna be Donatello from Ninja Turtles. Or it might be Wolf of Wall Street. I don't know. We'll see. I'm tired. I need to
The one for tomorrow should be the Wolf of Wall Street on here.
I gotta make a thumbnail every day of my life. I can hire someone, but they don't got the same vision as me. It's hard, you know. Sometimes it's just frustrating to explain things to people. I just want to do it by myself. That's how you get good workers, though. You know, you gotta be able to know to do things by yourself before you hire someone to do it for you. Because then you can just explain to them what you want. But yeah, I know how to do it first, so you can teach them. It's hard to just like get someone random just to make stuff for you, right? You don't know what the hell celery is. The Big Short, yeah. Now we got some good ideas. It's a nice top wick. You're not gonna close below here, chat, just yet. Not just yet. Please support copyright free artists. So Man Jams by Extremely Underrated. The thing about that is, what if one day they blow up and their music is not copyright free anymore? They just used me. Or like, let's say their music isn't copyright free, and what happens after is the streams get taken down because the copyright is music.
Oh, I had that.
Yeah, that happens. That happens.
Where it said, yo, this is copyright free. And then I play it, and all of a sudden, stream blocked.
Yeah, it's like saying, this artist just blew up. Your stream is not blocked.
That's why I had like a couple of really good streams that were blocked. I reached out to Broly. I was like, Broly, make some content. And he was like, stream's blocked, bro. Broly, where you at? I know you creeping somewhere in the background. Stand up, Broly.
Broly's been MIA. Broly's the next mod to go MIA.
Disappeared.
Yeah. Always happens. Okay, honestly, you don't even have a large yellow stop yet. I would prefer we can come up to like 1836, tap around those levels and create resistance there, and do something like this. Like you may see positions later on. You have news now all over with, and now you have just NYSE open. There's no more news for a day, right? So if something like this happens, price action should likely push price back down to retest the lows. But
Onions.
yeah, I want to see this form because then we can have a logical stop. We can have a stop above this range here once you close below here. So, all right, another like 15-30 minutes maybe for our opportunity. Could be sooner.
Vanished. No, JXDR found God.
For real.
Like literally found God.
Oh man, I want to see if we can break that high there. Yeah, it's the second person that said that, Save Paul. How about the fake out back into the range? Would you consider it? Yeah, that as well. The onion, the fake out, whatever is in our playbook. Yes. Future GG more? Well, you know how I wanted to. Today I would just look like gold, right? Look at gold, look at GJ. There's a huge difference, right? Oh. Let's see, you close below the range here. It's just, man, I want to use the previous zone. The previous zone is all the way up here for 76 pips. This is crazy. This is a 5-minute time frame. We're on a 5-minute time frame, chat. This is a 76 pip tandem. I don't understand if it was like an hourly close, hourly stop, or 4-hour stop, but 5-minute stop for 76 pips.
You know what? I haven't heard TT's opinion on anything.
TT hasn't been here yet this year.
I'm gonna start disregarding everything TT thinks.
Chat, shall I post that video of me making 100K?
Nope.
You not watching that?
It's 4 fucking hours. I mean, if you make it a 10-minute video, other than that, no, I'd rather go watch Titanic or something. Avatar, motherfucker. I'll watch all the Godfathers.
The video is 16 gigabytes.
You know what 16 gigs is? That's definitely a
Chat, who wants to
video.
watch the video? Who wants the video?
The crazy thing is, it was just him.
No
He doesn't
stream.
talk.
Just me.
He
There's a
doesn't
cord though.
talk. He just sits there and records. Even YouTube's gonna reject you. You're gonna try to upload it. YouTube's gonna be like 4 hours, with no speaking.
It's a whole
You better
course.
commentate over it. There better be some commentary.
Who wants to speak over 4 hours? I need Morgan Freeman to do this for me. We'll make it interesting.
Where back in the day, you'd need 2 iPods to play your shit.
No, for real. That's like 8 gigabytes an iPod. No thanks, Don. All right. Going off of that, child. Guess or not. Guess no one wants it.
What you gotta do is you gotta edit it.
Yeah, but do you know how much that's gonna take the process? Like, we gotta fucking insert that into Premiere. Sheesh. Then they crop it out. There's no words. Nah, it's just me silently
I think
recording myself.
you gotta speak over it. You gotta record yourself speaking over it about what you're thinking and why, in order for it to be valuable. Otherwise, it's just another video people can watch.
You know why I did, chat? You know why? Because I don't
Proof,
think
baby.
there's anyone in the industry that's ever made 100K on a regulated broker recorded. I mean, not that regulated rate matters or not, right? But that's why I did it. Because then the title would just be like, 100K regular broker. People will want to watch that, right? That's why I did it.
It's
And
typically,
record from start to finish, not just like a before and after, you know? Like, oh, so here's how I made it. At this point, I was nervous. At this, you know those videos, chat? No, like it was just strictly recorded from start to finish for 4 hours straight.
Yeah, no playback.
I did it for a good video, for good content.
Yeah, no, it's good. It should be good content if you make it into a short or into like a 15-minute like video.
I mean, I can just,
You can post on IG, but then you just be like everyone else.
yeah.
Actually, no, you can post it on IG. Everyone else has done it on their own broker. Well, anyone I know that's done it has always done it on their own broker.
I was the owner of Blueberry. I wish, man. If I was the owner of Blueberry, bro, trust me, man, I'll make 100K off stream every day.
The owner of Blueberry is a public person. It's he's a stockbroker, I think, a former stockbroker.
You know what? I don't even know. I don't know who it is.
You can look it up. It's public info. He's a pretty famous figure. Well, famous in finance circles. Well known.
I mean, we know nowadays though, even if it's regulated and then you know who the face is, anything can happen still. What is this? Yeah. Dean Hyde.
Dean Hyde, right?
Yeah, Dean Hyde. Yeah. As long as you save a percentage, oh trust me, I redid taxes this year. They were not fun. Taxes is not fun, chat. Not at all. I mean, you can make it fun if you want, but definitely not fun. How to know when to pay taxes? Oh, trust me, you know when to pay taxes when you make money to pay taxes, right? You always gotta pay taxes. Like, I think even now, like before you even, like, let's say you're not a full-time trader, you should still be paying taxes, right? You should still be finding ways to pay tax, or not finding ways. You should still be paying taxes every year if you make some income. What? Ever showed that there are ups and downs, wins and losses? Ever show more accurate how trading there actually is? What do you mean? We streamed every single win and loss for the past 3 years on stream. Our record's the bottom right. We have losses. Maybe not this year just yet, but we definitely have losses. I have losses for sure. And we definitely see them like on stream.
You guys never have losses. You guys suck.
I mean, you don't want losses.
They're like, oh, another L. You suck.
But you can't avoid losses, right? It's part of the game. It's part of trading.
Uncle Sammy wants his cut. Uncle Sammy ain't getting shit. Don's from Canada. Yeah. If you're looking to avoid taxes, you would not be asking questions here because you would have made a fucking massive amount of money and now you're looking to avoid paying taxes on it. If you're asking questions here.
Here, paperboy. This is December.
Is it ROI for December? Fucking 100%. Does you guys have mentorship programs? No, but the fake Wix9 right now going around IG with my pictures and trying to get people to sign up. He has a fucking mentorship program. And if you guys signed up, I'm not the one you should be asking for a refund. It should be that fake Wix9.
A month?
Fake Wix9.
Yeah, it goes like 160 grand. December.
There's a Wix9 with a double underscore. I only have a single one. Somebody got a double underscore.
Hey, we got the resistance form. If we can close below now, this wouldn't be too bad. Stops would be roughly 35 pips. Not too bad.
Yeah, there's one with the dot before the underscore, and there's also the one with the
You should make your name
double
It's Wix9.
underscore. No, Wix9 is good.
It's Wix9.
People already know it's Wix9 when it's Wix9. It's crazy his Insta is same as Wix. It's not crazy. Anybody can do it. Just be creative. It's also 2023. Props to him if he's getting fucking people to sign up. You guys are fucking fools if you're falling for this shit. $2023, and you guys are getting scammed online.
Honestly, man, I don't blame him though. There's a lot. Like, bro, the other day, people are starting to send a real mail to the crib, saying, "Yeah, pay this, pay that." How do they get the public? How, like, Yo, man, you have NFP tomorrow, man. Godly.
Well, it's definitely
Yo,
more real than you are, Mark.
you know, Wixon? I think we
Mark
if we
Zuckerberg.
had our all-time high viewers today, I think we had 4 more viewers today, and we'd be our all-time high viewers. We would have hit stop loss. Because every
Thank you, guys.
time we've had all-time high viewers, the past 6 times, we hit stops every time.
The fake Mark Zuckerberg is asking you if you have a real account. This is crazy.
You know what I learned, man? I learned that the more you show, the worse it gets.
The more questions you get, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
The
When I was just showing trading view,
deeper the rabbit hole goes.
when I was showing trading view, it was like, what you doing? Where's the MT5? Okay, show the MT5. What you doing? How come you don't take trades on stream or win big on stream? So I record myself doing it. Hey Don, is this a real account? What's next, bro? Don, are you human? I think that's next. That's definitely what's next. But you know, I think the industry, man, is just very comfortable with asking these questions, right? But imagine just going up to someone random in the street and just asking them, how much did you make today? Why didn't you make this much instead? Ha, I made this much, lol. You only caught that much? I made this much, huh? Like, imagine that was real life. Just imagine. This is online, right? So it's a little different for you guys, but imagine asking these questions in real life. You would feel like a dick. Like, how come? Like, I made 100 grand today. You only made $100 today. Why didn't you get it? Why didn't you work here instead? Like, it's crazy. Put it in that perspective. Almost vegan? Yo, how come he's almost vegan? Why don't you just be vegan?
I think he was almost there and someone fucked it up for him.
Someone's like, yo, don't worry, man. This is Beyond Meat Burgers.
He's 3 pips away from being fully vegan. Not closing here.
Hey, is Kay still here?
F them all, just chill and have fun. I mean, we don't really care. Like if we were dependent on this stream. But at this point, I believe in general the chat is more dependent on this stream, you know, to fight poverty than we are. So appreciate all the loyal ones here and all the trolls. I mean, sorry you couldn't get any content.
A little different. You're teaching so many people on proof. I get that, but you know what? My thumb. So here's my thought process.
For 3 years, you don't need proof, right?
You know, like when I was like as like a new trader, here's what I kept in mind. I didn't believe anyone's profits. Like when I was a new trader, I had people that I was looking at, I was following on Instagram, people as traders, right? But I did not believe $1 day made. Not because I'm hating, but because it doesn't matter. Because as long as that person provides value and I'm making money myself now, that's all that matters. So when I first started trading, I didn't really care for that. I just, as long as I gained something out of them and I was able to make that money from learning from them, doesn't matter if their stuff was real or fake.
And it's really easy to realize that, right? Because if you implement anything that they've told you, then,
and it works for you,
working.
Then. Yeah.
Why would you ignore it? Oh, well, because they didn't show me on my FX book. Like what? Do you fucking speak to people on a daily and they give you some advice and then you're like, hey, let me see your pocketbook or let me see your checking account, see if I can take your advice? No. Believe there's older people in this world that might have less money than you, right? And they might give you advice, but they just have more experience than you. Are you going to be like, hey, let me see your bank account before I take your advice?
True say.
Nah, they just, you can take their advice. You're always wise enough to listen and then apply it. Whether you apply it or not in your everyday life, it's up to you. But crackheads have best wisdom. No, people ask just so they can talk shit, like, or like argue, like my favorite trader is better than your favorite trader. No.
Hey man, I don't know what's going on, man, but I'm just waiting for a closure below his range. Just a 22-year-old waiting for a closure below the range, man. That's it. All right, guys. What up, Rivera? What's going on, man? What's up, my dudes? What's industrial music? What is this? Yeah, rock on. What's metal? Oh wait, no, metal. We should listen to metal on stream, man.
Yo, I'm back. What did I miss? Y'all took any trades? No, Nexus, we're waiting on you. We're waiting on your signal.
Yeah, we're waiting
on the
for
next signal.
Bring on your word. What was it? Take my
mark your word.
Mark. We're waiting for your word. Yeah.
We're waiting to mark your word.
Techno. Oh, we might get a fake. This is lovely. Yeah, this is much better than onion because you get the fake out here. That'd be great. So what that is, chat, is if this candle here decides to close above the range, right? You close above this range, the next candle comes back into the range. We can take sells coming down to retest the lows. That'd be great, right? And you can come. Yeah. Okay. Beat me to it. But yeah, that would be perfect. But you gotta close above, and then you gotta close back into range. I mean, if it doesn't do that, then we gotta wait longer. Very nice. Hey man, you guys gotta keep that drama off of my stream, you know? Maybe you can message him privately and talk, but I'm not trying to deal with that, man. Ain't my business. I'm just waiting for a closure above the range. Epic. Nice. Oh, do they have country music? Yo, what's the word, Wix? Yeah, you got all the dances, bro.
I do the Carlton to this. Yo, come on, Cam. Yo.
This is a heater. This is a heater. We need this
Banger.
music.
Yo, we need some sharpness here. What's going on?
1 minute. We might get the onion from here. Well, we'll see what happens here. We shall see. Yo, 700 likes, chat. Hey, let's get 800 likes, chat. Let's go for it. 800 likes. If everyone can like the stream, I appreciate that a lot, man. Yo, leave a like for the thumbnail today. Leave a like if you learned something from the streams today. Whatever it is that you learned. If you made profits, cool. If you lost money, which I don't think you should, that's cool as well. If you broke even, that's also cool. But if you learned, that's much better.
That's better. Yeah, I was gonna say. You actually came away from here with some value that you can utilize in your trading. That's the W.
Here's
Oh,
the
shit.
motherfucking- Yo, chat, you know what we haven't heard all year?
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Oh my god.
We got a runner.
Lost 19K today. My max daily risk. It's pretty
That's
good.
it. Call it a day. Call it a stream.
It's not too bad.
Now, if you're asking where Wix is right now, I'm vibing.
We
out.
got
I
a
needed
runner.
floor. Needed a dance floor here.
We got a runner.
Yo, someone freestyle. I know you're high enough to freestyle with this book, son. What is this? What's chiptune? Can't. Cinematic?
Oh, hold on. So you heard that well.
No, I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything. Like, why are you so quiet? You're trying to play
You did
something.
hear it well. No, you heard that we got a runner. That
Yeah,
word.
we got a runner, yeah.
So hold on. I hold on. Is this shit working or no? Because I was fucking around with it. That's so strange.
You know why it's called master bedroom, right? Why is it called a master bedroom? Were you looking for a 5-minute closure back into the range? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now, yeah. I want to see how we close back into the range here. Because look at the 15. The 15 and 30-minute candle, the past two candles have all closed respecting this resistance, right? So if we get a 5 closure within the next 3 minutes here, you can probably take positions. But you gotta close below first. Below 1836.142. If it gets too late, chat, I might just hop off streaming and call a signal later. Because we're gonna get probably a position, but maybe a bit later if it doesn't come within like the next 30 minutes. We'll see. We'll see how long I stay today. I mean, I am in no rush to do anything, to go anywhere, and my trading day does not end until like roughly 10. So, how big is this range going down? 26, not too bad.
There's room, yeah.
There's room, but what's the stops? Like, man, it can't have this.
It would have to be above these highs.
This high right here. Yeah. Target would probably be around here for 70 pips. Not too bad. Look at 30,
no,
right?
No, I was gonna call it the right here, the current 5-minute high, because this top wick.
I was gonna call it right here.
The higher time frame flipped. Well, that's if it starts driving up there. Do you really want it to fill that whole range?
Well, we'll manage risk accordingly. Right? Because I mean, it can easily break the highs and still respect this resistance. Let's see. You have 1 minute for a closure. This is some Incredibles music.
I love how it's like it's not like we got 8 minutes to go now and wait for a lifetime.
Yeah.
It's like, all right, 30 seconds to go.
Chat, we got 45 minutes left for this 1 hour close. Oh fuck. Last year we like, yeah guys, we got 45 minutes for a closure in the 1 hour here. God,
all right, I'll come back tomorrow.
You can definitely play Fortnite, but now you can't play Fortnite no more. You know, I trade the 5-minute time frame so that we can keep the audience engaged. Big brain, we get more
really
viewers. That's the only
really all
reason.
about the algo. We're cracking the YouTube algo here right
Yeah,
now.
it wasn't
Live
for the
in front of you,
strategy,
right?
bro.
Like the strategy.
Trying to keep everyone in tune, away from Fortnite. That's big brain now.
Trade night time.
Okay.
Get the onion on the higher time frame. Ooh.
You know what wasn't bad too? If you don't get this entry, we can get an entry below here. Have stops there. It's the same stop. Are you in this?
Yeah.
Yeah. I am not in.
I took it right on the close.
What's your stop? Current high? First high?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This previous 5 high, that right there, yeah.
And then I'm gonna wait for below 33.
Because this is a valid fake out, right? Once we tap this zone here,
you're break even.
Break even right now.
Yeah, like right now you should be break even, yeah.
We just tap.
You guys are asking, why is Wix Boom starts to break even? Because look where you're tapping. You're tapping into a zone here. Anywhere in the zone, price can reject. Right? And as it does that, you might come back to the top of the range. Who knows? But if it does tap it, then Wix will just probably wait for a closure below here, right?
Exactly. I just tapped E. I mean, it does, like, right? I'm not losing anything. I know it's gonna come down and retest the bottom of the zone.
But the question is, will it break through, right? And that's what we don't know. And that's why he moves starts to break even.
Sometimes it'll have enough volume to drive straight through, and then it's house money, right? And when it doesn't, I have no money on the table here. I'm not sitting in drawdown. I'll wait for another closure. But you really have to be in tune and with what's happening on the charts and on top of it, right? You can't just be like, all right, trade, I'll come back, go make some breakfast, come back. No.
Yeah.
I was literally in that trade for 30 seconds.
I like the 15 close too. Or the 15 just react there. I was like, well, you might as well wait for another 5 closure below here, and that's also gonna be the 15 closure because there's a minor 15 support here. But if you close below that 15 support, look left every time you came down to at least 1831. Below 1834, 554.
Brown boy said, "This guitar."
This guy's on a solo.
I was feeling it.
Copyright free music. It looks like it was from a movie.
You're hired.
This is your back in the day music, right, Wix?
Damn, dog. How old do you think I am?
I don't know, man. Were you around when
No.
Were you around?
Nope. Just came through right now.
Were you around for the first episode of SpongeBob?
Nope.
You definitely were.
Nope.
No, Wix not that old, chat. Wix is pretty young. Yo, chat, how old do you guys think Wix is? Like, he looks, be honestly, man. He looks very young. Very young, fine gentleman. Wix looks younger than he did 10 years ago. In that picture with the afro.
Yeah, that is true.
Like, it's crazy. I feel like people look oldest in their late 20s and then look super young in their early 30s, right?
Because you get to 30 and you're like, fuck, I'm getting old. I gotta look younger. And
Yeah,
then you
yeah,
get to
yeah. Like, fucking try now.
gotta
Yeah,
start taking care of yourself.
yeah. Like, people always look older in their late 20s than they do in their 30s. Hey, y'all tripping, man. Y'all said 48.
Yeah.
You think a 48-year-old would name his name Wix Man?
My ass showing up with a walker tomorrow.
The main blue. Come on, gold. Come on, come on. Come close and blow the rain. Remember one time, chat, I was singing on the live streams and I thought I was singing to music, but there was no music and you guys didn't tell me. So I was singing for like the whole outro song. And you guys are like, yo, Don, you good?
It's good 29 to 33. You look 35 with that hairline. Give it to you. I got a hairline, dog. This is just a fucking bandana. I'm good. I got mad hair.
Yo, Chad, you guys know Wix has fake dreads? You know who has fake dreads, Wix?
It's not even human hair. This is, I get these from Barbie dolls that my kids buy.
You know who has fake dreads? Your boy Kai.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, he said he has fake dreads.
That's weird.
Well, he probably has fake dreads, so he grows out and just grows out and just, you know.
I mean, it's hard to have fake dreads because, like, eventually your hair grows out, right? And you just cut the end off. What the fuck is that? Boy, looking
Yo,
like
I gotta
Nick
get a bald
Mars.
cap, man. I gotta get a bald cap next for sure.
I can't even do that. I get a bald cap, I'm gonna have a big ass brain like this.
Nah, I'm gonna get a bald cap for a thumbnail, chat. I'm gonna do it. One day, I'm gonna show up to streams with a bald cap. Would you trust me still? KC3. How much is a bald cap? Cause yeah, install and put makeup over it, right, to make it look real.
Yeah, they kind of had to, like, you know, shade it in.
Yo, not gonna lie, chat. Y'all get a bald cap stream one day. You thought I was bald for the longest time? No, man, but my dad's bald, so I might be bald soon. Nah, my mom said my hair is pretty strong, so I got her hair. I won't go bald. Maybe. When I was younger though, I used to have very thin hair. I don't know what happened, but now my hair is very thick.
You went to the fucking barber. He cut your hair grew in thicker. Boom. Solved. Mystery solved. Hire me for your next Wordle if you need.
Huh? What do you say?
See? Nothing. And almost vegan agrees with me. That's actually a myth? That's not a myth. I've tested it out on myself. I was fine. I have none of this hair. And then one day I shaved and it's
Hair.
not a myth.
Hair.
I'm over there like delete.
Delete.
Just, you know, shaving is just basically pressing the backspace button on your beard.
Chat, what do you guys rate the music today? 1 out of 10. You think we did a good job with the copyright free music, or it wasn't too bad? It wasn't bad as I thought.
Are you asking or are you giving an opinion?
I'm asking. 1 out of 10 to copyright free music? What do you guys think? First stream back with copyright free music. 10 out of 10. This lyrics, you know? You guys can resonate with these lyrics. I'm like, here's this guy. Damn, he heartbroken. That's a you problem, my guy.
Word. Put on some DMX. What these bitches want? What these bitches want? I mean, that shit. Fuck. What are we doing right now?
Shout out to all the ones that go through a hard time with relationships right now in the chat. I know sometimes relationships aren't always the greatest, you know? Sometimes you go through rough patches. But a wise man once told me, Wixan once told me that, yo, Wixan gave some good advice, man. Some good relationship advice. Like, yo, Chad, if you guys want relationship advice, go to Wixan. He has tons of experience, bro. Tons of life experience. Man.
You being serious or you joking?
Nah, you give some good advice, man, remember?
Yeah. That's not like you being serious or you joking.
You want pips? I know you guys want pips. I want pips too. Well, I don't know if we're gonna get pips today, Chad. I don't know. Just be thankful that you're not looking at GJ right now. Because boy oh boy, you haven't done anything since the morning. Oh, you hear that? That is a banger right there. We should clip this. Listen to what he says. Just that, man. Just the playbook, nothing else.
Streams continue January 9th, alright? Stop asking me about streaming.
Yeah,
We're
for
gonna be
real.
back
Like, I got Wixan a stream deck, and this guy does not even stream.
on Monday, chat. Alright? Monday.
Stop it. Get some help.
Can you play the, this is the most outrageous, or...
If one of y'all says some silly ass name,
No, not that one.
this whole class is gonna feel my wrath.
Can you stop it midway or no?
Yeah.
Play the other one. The one where it's like, that is the most idiotic...
Oh, I don't know where that is. Oh, I deleted it because I just I just deleted it. I don't know why I deleted it.
Damn, chat, we in a movie right now. Wix9? Is that you? Come on, Wix9. We gotta
No,
get
bitch,
him.
wake up.
Wix9? Come on, Wix. We gotta get him. Let's go. Oh no. We don't have the key. We left it behind. We gotta go back and get it. Yeah, I swear I can make a movie, man. I can make a movie script.
This summer, Dawn meets Wix. Wix meets Dawn. They do a stream. Find out what happens. This summer.
The rest is history.
Or find out if they get the closure below range.
Oh man.
I guess we'll never know.
Chopper. Yo, these like fucking movie trailer songs or something. For sure, right? Yeah, for sure.
Skateboarding music right here.
Yep. Look at that 15 close that resistance. This 15 is still respecting the same zone, chat. Look left here. What could possibly, if I can, I don't think I can scroll back far enough. Yeah, I can't. What time is it? 1 hour closure. We have a 1 hour closure in 6 minutes here. Wow. Chat, honestly, if it comes down to like 8:20 or 10:20, I'm probably gonna call it a day, man. For just one trade today, one win during Asian session. Or London session, sorry. Chat, if you guys guess how many hours of sleep I had last night? Or can you guys guess? Gonna say past 10, yeah, probably. 3. Great stream today. It wasn't bad. You know, it wasn't the best stream today. I'm not gonna lie. When I rate streams, I rate them from vibes and just the way the chat is interacting. It wasn't the best stream today. Chat was a little frustrated for some reason with the breakthrough in trade. I don't know why. But it wasn't bad. Like, it wasn't the worst stream. It wasn't a losing one, so there's that. But chat was definitely on one today. I think because a lot of them were new to the streams, right? We had like, I think, a lot of new viewers today. I think the thumbnail brought people in. I don't know what brought people in, but I might gotta reuse the thumbnail. 5 hours, 4, 3. Hey, Lando deals, you got it. The R monsters, yo, R monsters. I don't think they can say. I mean, they want R monsters. We can just shut them down, right? With just showing them results over and over again. They'd be like, "Damn, this guy is still trading like that," and they keep asking themselves that, and then they can't get used to it. Music for romantics. What is this? Okay. 3 minutes for a closure. Looks like we may come down here, chat. Looks like we may come down. Ain't too bad. This is that Puta Cana vibe. Do you London lives too? No, I don't. I gotta sleep, right? So London session is usually when I sleep. So yeah, nah. London session, I'm off the charts, bro. I'm off. I was binge watching you on YouTube vids, then realized you were live and was like, shit. Yeah, nah, yo, don't worry. I'm gonna have more content for you to binge watch this year. A lot more. And a lot more serious content too. I'm scripted, man. I'm scripting a lot of content, and I'm gonna record some nice videos for you guys this upcoming Q1. And I think you guys are due for a version 1 up or version 4 update of the course too. So I gotta get started on that very soon, especially once the website comes out. So I'm excited for this year, man. Lots of work that has to be done. Lots of content that's about to be dropped. Lots of people to improve, like lots of traders to improve, right? And that's the goal, man. The goal is to make this the most educational, realistic stream and channel out there.
It's already the least toxic Forex community. Now let's just make it the most profitable one.
Oh yeah, that was the goal at first. The goal was to make it at least toxic. We got that, I think. They get the vibes. but now it's time to make it most educational. What does DVS stands for? Downfall Sushi. No, the website's not up in December. No. The website got delayed because I had to tell the guy to restart some concepts. But yo, I showed you guys the concepts, right? The way it looks like this. This is how it looks. Clean, right?
The hues, I love the hues, yo. The
Yeah.
purple. the green.
I told him those exact colors. Green, purple, all that.
Did you give him the code for the colors? Like the
Yes.
FX
I
or
gave him
one?
the exact colors. I gave him everything he did here. I told him exactly what to do. Add the robot here. Add a robot. Add a guy that guides you through the course. Like all that shit. I just kind of directed him. If I just had the skill to actually do these things and had time, I just don't know how. I don't know how. I'm not a good web developer, or I'm not even a web developer. Yeah, but this is just like some random pages. The website, you guys will get a better I'll see you guys with the full website when it comes out. Pretty neat though, man. It's free. It's gonna be amazing. I'm excited. Starting the year off with the bang. Last year we started the year off with the playbook. This year we're starting the year off with the website. Let it go. Let it go.
Yeah.
Why are you still trading gold? Let it go. All right. We got a closure. All right, yeah. So 20 more minutes chat and I'm off of it. I'm off of it after that. If you don't get any positions or you get nothing. I usually trade to like 10:30. Like in the singles channel, I give singles until like 10:30, 11 sometimes, but depends on the day really, right? Today, I would expect more volume off the way price action is today. It's just, will it come? Don't know. You gotta be patient. It's a nightmare developer. Yeah, I know it's a nightmare. But hey, it's what they're good at. Also a nightmare for me to stream too. Your strategy makes other courses seem so complicated. Well, we're trying to make it simple, right? I think one thing that I dealt with growing up as a trader was I never, like a lot of traders in the past would teach me how to trade certain ways, but they wouldn't teach me how to put it all together. Like what to do to get this exact entry consistently. It would just be like, do this, draw this here, add that there, but they wouldn't tell you how to put it all together. So that's why I made, or we added, we kind of broke it down to a point where it's much easier to understand, and you have a step-by-step guide on how to trade the way we do. And that's what the playbook and you know the journal is all for, because it shows you that it's the same consistent entries every single time. Every single day. Like I don't think we added anything to the playbook the past 2 years, year and a half. Playbook, it's just the breakout, fake out, onion, celery. This is it. These four setups and 4 entries. That's all we do every day. And people are gonna say, well, strategy, you know, the markets will find ways to manipulate you over time. And I don't think that's the case, because we're just trading price action, right? And price action has always been around as long as there's candles. So are you buying? No, I'm not buying. I'm looking for sells. I'm looking for sells here, but we're running short in time here. Let's see if we get anything. I'm looking at this to the left here. I'm interested in this. Mirror that, but don't know if we're gonna close. What is this? Hey, chat, what language is this? What language is this? I put world, so this is like music from all around the world, you know, so we can all connect. I'm just gonna see the 30-minute closure below. Yeah, the 30 closure will close below. Yeah, but I just want to see an extra 5 closure, and then I'll be in there. I'll be in there like swimwear. It's not Korean. What is this? Yo, Wickstein, come back. We got 50 seconds, man.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Wickstein. Wickstein. Wickstein, we got a position here, bro. Oh, too bad for Wickstein. He fell asleep. For real, man, just knocked over. I'm looking at stops 1837 chat, so
They're all here. All of them.
all right, chat. Gone some sells here. On the opening of the candle, basically. Stop loss is the previous zone high, and target is somewhere down here. You can say. You can use a smaller stop if you want. You can use but the most logical stop here, I believe, is gonna be the previous zone high. So up there. Target honestly could be anywhere. Look left. Our 4-hour target was initially like 1824. On this trader, I'm probably gonna target like 1827-ish levels, right? But yeah, I think the break-even point will probably be like around this level to the left-hand side over here, 1831, or right here is a point where I will move stops to break even. So there I am break even. Didn't close anything just yet. 1831 is your next minor support, so be aware of that level. All right, but this candle has no top wick. Expect it to create a top wick if it does flip bullish. Might be a steep top wick as well. So let's see what happens. But this is break even trade.
I had 11 on there, but didn't close nothing.
I had I think I had 10.
Well, after spread, you had 10.
Oh, after the spread, no, after the spread I had 8 probably. I didn't really get 11. On TradingView I did, but because I think I put the entry at right at the flip. Yeah. Chat. I think I hit break even there. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I hit break even there. I think on TradingView what it was is that we were looking for initial entries at the flip, and it peaked 12. But on this, my entry was a little later. Only peaked like maybe 9-10 pips. We may get another opportunity. We'll see here, but overall, we pretty much came down, tapped that level, and I am expecting a top wick here now. I would expect the top wick first, and it looks like if we do flip bullish, we may come up to see like 1833, 850. So maybe we might get another entry once you create a top wick, and then flip bullish or flip bearish. So I'll stick around for a bit longer, but if that's not the case, then we just drive through. Then I'm gonna call it a day probably. No trades, like officially call it a day. Like no trades on off stream too. You hit break even wicks?
Yeah.
You had a better entry, right? How'd you enter before me? You were on the screen.
No, I entered at my entry is 1832.74.
Eh? What I have? $18. Oh yeah, there's a top wick, chat. Look at that. Perfect analysis, right? So look at that top wick. That was what I was kind of expecting. Because if it pushed, it would have pushed through there on that initial push straight down towards 31 and such. But since it didn't, you would expect a top wick here. You could have a sell up on the flip, but I would probably want to see if we can break 35 and come back and flip bearish, that'd be great. Take a same position on the flip of this candle. Oh, there we go. Top wick. Yeah, so I think at this point, chat, we can have a sell stop on the flip of this candle here. 1832.931. Yeah. 931 on the flip. Yeah, because you broke the highs, same stops.
Grab more liquidity.
Yeah. That's a nice top wick though. Exactly what we kind of anticipated, right?
On the hourly, it hasn't never broke the highs. It respected that level there at 1836.35 on the hourly.
Oh, I can't. Where my stops at? What is
I basically have the same exact stop as I did.
I think we have a better entry now by like a couple pips. Not much though.
My entry was on the close. Well,
oh wait, no. Why is that stop there? Jeez. I'm like, why is there a stop there?
it would wick down, wick up, and you're out.
Yeah. That would not have been good. All right, so yeah, gotten sell stops here, chat. Gotten some sells there. That can also close respecting resistance too, if you guys are worried about that. Same target, same trade initially, just a second entry, all right? Because now we got the top wick. Now this is perfect. You should continue to drive down towards the 1827 markish, I'll say. Same break-even point, I'll say too. Same levels. Same exact trade, just next 5 minute candle afterwards.
I'm not securing till we fill here because we've tried numerous times already, 2-3 times, and if it breaks that previous wick, it should fill. Should fill the level.
Man, this music is just... Dude.
Inside, I've lived 3 or 4 days already. During this session and this music.
I think we went through like 1,000 different types of songs there.
Yeah, what we haven't done is do songs from different countries. Be it music all of next week.
Jeez, that music gave me a headache. Jeez. What the hell was this? I thought this is copyright free music and kid friendly. This is very similar to a trade took yesterday, chat. Remember the trade took yesterday? Very similar trade. On the 5 at least. This 5 closed bullish, next 5 drove down, broke the lows. And that was your initial push. Remember that's this trade? The one for 70 pips to buys? Or no, was it the sells? I forgot what it was. It was the same exact trade. Because this candle came all the way back up, created a top wick for this candle. Like I said, I wanted this candle to create a top for this candle, and then it closed back into the range, bullish above, respecting resistance, still it's respecting that same level. So then this next 5 here, as long as it respects that resistance, should likely continue to drive, and this should be the finish off of this range here. Just go on the time frame. Just make sure as stops are bigger, you know, manage your risk accordingly, or pick your lot size accordingly. This trade here, I believe, is a 2.5% risk of the account, right? 10,000.
And you know why we're so successful? Why, Johnny? Tell us. Because we're diversified. Diversification.
Just get this line fixed real quick.
Revival means restoration of life, consciousness.
What the hell is this?
And fittest.
This line goes here as the E point. Delete that. Nice.
Feel like I'm on fire, running down the street, bridge prior. Never been higher, searching for the Messiah. Bodhisattva eating laka with the chocolate tie sticks provided by
Oh, we are still here.
So at the break-even point, you have a closure in
Russia.
3,
Everyone
2,
else, truce.
1. Yeah, you have a closure below here. Still respecting the same resistance, chat. I mean, I'm still in the trade here. Nothing has really changed or anything just yet. All right.
Russia can't announce truce, right? Only Ukraine can announce a truce. And Ukraine has not done so. Really irrelevant at this point on the world stage what Russia says.
Oh, man. Remember earlier when I had put stops 2 pips away from the entry? You know how many times I've done that? With sell stops when I try to place stops. Sometimes I place stops and I just miscount. I mistyped the stop at by like
Number, yeah.
the number, and it's like, wait, I thought I put it at 68.5. Why is it 67.5? And then it stops. I'm like, ah, shit. That's not very fun.
Whee!
The 15 closed below too. Very nice. Yeah,
Don't be
chat.
here, right?
I'm gonna
Right,
move my
boom.
stops to break even here. You know what I'm gonna do? It's been a rough day. I'm gonna just unclose full my positions right there.
Yay! Me
Yeah.
too. High fives. Ooh, perfect closure too.
Yeah. So,
20 pips.
not too bad of a day. You know, we got what we needed. Yo, I gotta do something real quick, chat. Yo, chat, if you guys enjoyed that trade, leave a like on the stream. If you guys want runners, let runners rock. Move stops to break even, all that good stuff. Close half, whatever you want to do, man. I closed full. We took 3 attempts at this trade here, and I just want to take profits for a day and call it a day. However, I gotta add this to the spreadsheet because we just took like 2 trades here, right? I gotta add this before I forget. 8. What time is that? The first show is at what
10.
time? 10 a.m. Right?
10:05 or 10?
Yeah, I'll say 10. What was it? The breakout on the current higher low was full, and then we took a break even there, and then the second one, 23. This was. Oh wait, no, the signals did not get the first one. 10, 17, or no, 10, 10, and they got 12. And then the stream, this is where we do the stream stuff. 5, New York, gold, South, breakout.
Hey, W Roxa.
Current higher life.
Good shit.
Current higher life. Oh, I'm
Sorry.
definitely tired. Current higher low. I just said current higher life.
Higher life.
0 there, and then the second trade which you just took, it was 10 gold. The difference in that one is that this one was the flip instead, right? We got on the flip instead. Breakout, flip, and the 5 fall. That was 12. Cool chat. Did it hit break even? No, right? It didn't come back up. Yeah, it didn't even come back up.
Not had a loss in a while.
Yeah. Good stuff, chat. Congratulations, chat. Yeah, we haven't had a loss all December, all year, or not December, all January. Yeah, chat. Congratulations.
Hey, you hopping off at 10:20. It's 10:20.
Exactly, and that it's time. It's time to hop off, man. It's time to hop off.
We got a runner.
Yeah, chat. Good stuff today, man. I know it's been a long day, but hey, we did it. It's a good day, and from the good notes, our bias cracked the whole day. We waited for this ticket. We waited for this move. We drew it out. It's like 9 a.m. and we finally got it. But well deserved, man. Now you want to hop up the charts, and you want to just enjoy your day. We're doing whatever you gotta do. All right. But much love, chat. Thank you for coming by today. We almost broke our current high, our all-time high viewers. We're 40 away, 41 away. We had 1760 today. Our highest was 1800. So maybe tomorrow for NFP, I'll make a clickbait thumbnail for it. All right.
Nice.
But yeah, chat. Appreciate being here today, man. Love you guys. Thank you, and enjoy your knowledge today, because fuck your profits. All right, enjoy your knowledge.
Stream.
Yeah.
Great stream.
Enjoy your profits too. If you're still trained today, make sure you wear protection. Use a stop loss, okay? Peace out, soldier. I'm gonna do a wordle real quick. Yo, did you say what the wordle was earlier? Am I tripping?
I don't know what the wordle is.
Okay, good.
quiet.
'Cause I thought you said something.
What?
I thought you said something.
I said something?
Hives. What?
Oh shit. Where did you come up with hives? No.
Hives. Solve. Some. Boom it. Home. Remember that one time, bro, you were speaking about some bloody stuff?
No clue.
Yo, Wix, I don't know what Wix was on that day, bro. I had that clip still. That was mad funny.
What you talking about?
Yo, check, you guys remember that day? Wix started saying some shit about bloody
Cat's getting the wrong idea right now.
Oh my god, that was mad funny.
You're taking this out of context.
Man. Bro, hold on. Do you have runners there, Wix?
No, I closed full at 20.
Godly. I got around 12 pips. Nope, 15 pips, something like that. No, I lied, like 12, 13. Ah, man. What's our record? Oh yeah, 3 now. Nice. Hey, this word was mad hard, bro. I don't know who guessed highs in trade, but that was the worst guesses of all time. So, like, how about like ends in Y, like EY, you know? So like, Like, Aussie. Cause what else kind of ended? Oh, M N L. Fuck. How about this? Nope. E. How two E's? Sleep.
I was about to say bleep.
Oh my.
Oh man, I would have had the
Oh.
only assist. Sleek. Okay.
Sleek. Damn. Okay. Okay. Hey, it's not bad, man. I need some sleep too, though.
I'm gonna say, yo, is bleep a word?
Chat, yo.
Bleep. W.
It's been a good day, man. I'm
Yeah, we should have guessed green. I don't know. Oh, the R. No R there. Sorry, green.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Go to gym.
I'm on zero sleep. Gotta go sleep and get some work done. I got a lot of work to do today. Got a thumbnail for tomorrow. Big stream tomorrow, chat. Big stream tomorrow. NFP, you want to be there. You don't want to miss it. All right. Good stuff, chat. Good work. Congratulations. Enjoy. Alrighty. And I can't even play music, yo. You watch The Office, Wix?
Yeah. Well, a few episodes. I know what it is. I'm not a huge fan. Are you doing a thumbnail from The Office?
Yeah. Peace out, chat. Love you guys. Thank you.
Later.
Dun, 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 dun.
I declare bankruptcy!
Hey. This is a vibe.
Too much, bro.
I declare bankruptcy. No, that's hard.
Do I need to be liked? Absolutely not. I like to be liked. I enjoy being liked. I have to be liked. But it's not like this compulsive need to be liked. Like I need to be praised, 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 praised.
If I had a gun with 2 bullets and I was in a room with Hitler, Bin Laden, and Toby, I would shoot Toby twice. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's happening! Michael, I can't believe you came. That's what she said! All right, everybody. Stay That's what she said.
Good night. TVS. Have a good day.